He's back. He's back. I don't see it though.
Down horrendous.
Dumbo.
Hello. My bad.
Here.
Yo, I'm gonna go over to Zoom.
How do I pass this over to you? Just click stop sharing.
I got it. I did. I think I'm the host. Yeah, we live again. That took forever to start back up. Damn. We back. Hi chat, we're back. Unfortunately, due to Wi-Fi again, cut off. It's fine. What do you have, like 300 or 220 or something? That's fine. Man, no, I'm looking for a new provider, like a separate one just for myself. So I gotta look into that stuff. Like a separate one for myself. The thing about that is that they're gonna have to drill a bunch of holes and stuff from downstairs to up here. It's weird. The Canada nigga, you know, man. What are you guys talking about in the Zoom? Just looking at charts and shit? GJ and gold?
A lot of GJ, talking about GJ entries. Pretty much.
Nice. I hope Carl didn't get no sells on gold. I told him to wait for a closure on a 15. Oof. What do you think of gold? Is it bearish? I'm bearish on gold, but it's not right now. You can't get any sells right now. I'm bearish on gold, but there's no entries on gold right now. There's no sells. You need a 15 close. I think once you get a 15 closure like this, you can get those nice sells coming down. That'll be pretty clean. I'll execute sells coming back into the range like this, but I need that 15-minute closure. We close in 4 minutes. Daddy's back. Oh man. Controller baby. Mars trading baby.
DJ coming up here.
Yeah, it is. Let's see if something popping to the range here. Broke the size. We have 4 minutes, 2 minutes left for a closure. I think I might as well wait for a closure at this point and then take the buys. But looking like we're just gonna pop up potentially. I missed the move.
Oh, manifest it.
The news at 14:30 today is good news on the. Oh, we have news today. Oh yeah, USD at 11 a.m. Oh, we have minor news at 8:30. I mean, they're expecting good numbers, yeah. So technically, gold should drop. Yeah, yep, you're right. It's at 8:30. Yep, that's true. So that for your zone draw in GJ is very choppy. Is there a reason as to why you drew your zones there? Where? I drew as the most recent resistance, which is right here. I believe we haven't closed above here yet. Once we get a closure above it, in case that we're breaking resistance, looking left, that's clean traffic driving price up towards 153,970. But you need a closure. Do not, I repeat, try getting some impulse buys here. Careful. I know a lot of you guys did it as it looked like it was gonna be Chabella, but that's trading with your emotions versus trading with what you see. So that's why I have my levels drawn right here. I should actually take out Sag in the title. YouTube might just like block my stream because that's a Twitch term. What am I doing? Part 2 Wi-Fi down bad. No, okay, part 2 Wi-Fi down. There. There you go. That sounds sick. Someone said I sound sick. How did I sound sick?
Damn.
Like what? Hi chat, we're back. Yes, we're back. We're back, chat. Glad to see you guys back today. Audrey, can you send that chart again? If you still have it. Wait, yo, can you guys pin messages in the chat? Like you moderators?
How do you do it?
Click on the 3 dots next to the chat and then go on pin. You see anything?
Nah, we can't.
Aw, man.
Yeah, report, remove, put user in timeout, hide user in this channel.
No pin. Go to site. What is this? No questions today? Aw, man.
This whole time just to troll you, bro. Oh man.
Range 1, waiting for price to break out his range. Okay, this is gold, right? Oh, GJ 30 minute. Range 2, looking for buys, 30 minute closure in this range. Range 3, best buys with the day flipping bullish and previous day highs. Have the day target as 155.55. Oh, if you break that, I agree. Range 4, yeah, range 4 sells. Yep, that's not bad. Yep. Same idea I have, similar. How about these right here? How do you feel about taking these buys over here?
Honestly, didn't see him until the internet died, and then we were there. 30 minute actually closed above.
Yeah.
Decent bottom wick on this candle, and then the flip. You're looking at like stop loss of like 8 pips, and then a target of like, I don't know, 18 pips. It's not bad. Hourly would be re-breaking its own highs right now, rejecting off that 153.70, pushing back up. Daily could potentially be, that could be the move for the daily to potentially flip bullish and continue to push.
Yep. I was actually just gonna talk about that. RP enter now. Day is bearish. You say that's going against the trend. Day is bullish actually. Imagine this was the 15-minute time frame and you had 10 minutes left for a closure. This counter here could still flip as long as it respects these lows here. This is the day. The day is bearish right now, but technically the day when it started up was supposed to be bullish. As long as we respect the lows here, we should be able to flip bullish and continue up, and price can still do that. We have 10 hours left in the day, right? It's not until we actually break these lows and that's when the day will be bearish. So that's why looking for buys is not a bad idea at all, especially at that support or above that resistance here in that range. But if you come down break the day lows, which is going to be somewhere down here at 153.520, then obviously looking for sells below there coming down, right? Ooh, gold broke back into the range.
Don, would you take these GJ buys or no?
The buys on GJ? Yeah, I would.
Looking like it may happen.
Gold or GJ?
GJ buys, 30-minute time frame.
Oh, start play. Oh, you're talking about how it closed above. Oh, I didn't take a look at this. You're right. I was looking at it from the 15 and it didn't really close above, so I wasn't really like looking at it.
Yeah.
Oh,
that
30
15 was a Doge candle, and then kind of going off what we said yesterday, if we act like it didn't exist, that current 15 didn't break the previous 15 low. The 30-minute didn't break 30-minute lows. It's looking like it wants to flip now. The hourly
is bullish.
It is bullish, and if we come up to re-break those hourly highs, I definitely think we'll tap like 153.96. Only thing is, it's just like a little early. Like if this was at like 8 a.m., I would 100% be in it.
I don't think I'm gonna take positions. I think I wanted a closure above here. Like even on the 15, I don't think we closed above. I don't know.
I like buys on the break of those highs, like Andre was saying, 1 hour and 30-minute highs.
Oh, well, I mean like the current highs again?
Yeah. Not the current highs, the previous 30-minute highs. I like that. It's an aggro day, technically for me, and it's clean traffic. I don't think you're gonna get a closure.
Nope. We're gonna execute because like if a third man closes above the range here, technically like with the flip here, we should be popping up towards the top of the range now. Towards here. Third man's only time if not closed above.
You're staying out.
No, I'm staying out. I'm never comfortable with 15 closure here. Maybe the break of the highs, I would take those. Stops at current count lows.
That's what I have.
Yeah. The C is so weird. Yeah.
That would be the 4-hour highs as well.
Yes.
So I feel I'm bullish on all time frames, breaking 4 different time frame highs. Clean traffic, we'll see. Check the news before I fuck myself.
Quick question.
There's 8 a.m. GBP news, but it's minor.
Yeah, it minor news. They're expecting good numbers to come out. Quick question. Did you learn shit like this by yourself, or did you learn it somewhere or from a mentor maybe? I've learned a lot of my stuff from the internet. Like I never really paid for any type of course except for like probably Q Banks' course like when I first started. Hold on, this is my gold chart. I got you. When I saw this, I knew my internet was chalked. I'm like, fuck. I checked the chart earlier. Is it good to take the sell setup? Yes, but you need a closure below the range. You need a closure like this. A closure, because a closure below means that we're breaking back into this range. Therefore, price should come down to fill the range, fill this entire range like this, right? So that's probably what you'll want for price to drive. Yeah, Martin got a good answer for that too. I'll get to house to help me a bit. But again, from now on, whenever people ask me questions like that anymore, I just don't have social media. we've learned to not bring up names, good or bad. Just you know, I'm not gonna bring up any names anymore in the stream. Okay, we got charts. I got charts. There you go. You up here? Want to come out here? Ooh, nice. You got on buys as this kind of flip bullish above that range, anticipating price to go up. Yep. I was looking at the same idea. That looks like it's gonna play out here. Yep. It's very solid. I'm gonna take a buy as you break these highs here. Stops gonna be 10 pips. TP's gonna be around 11 pips here. How many pips do you miss out on from that opening to the high though? Oh, 5 pips. Not bad.
5 pips for an extra confirmation. Seems like a decent trade. Trade within a trade.
If you break that, it's like Chabella.
It's a trade within a trade. I think I'm waiting for I deleted my buy stops. I'm gonna wait for, if you look at the 5 minutes, the exact same it's a 153.810 resistance. I think I'm gonna wait for a closure above there. That's just a little extra confirmation, and then that'll be my bias. Andre, you took your MT5 with you, huh?
Or the trader.
Look at these GG buys.
Took the whole thing with you.
No GJ buys for me, sir. Yeah, 3 pips in profit. It would have been 2 pips in profit because of spreads. Just a little too early for me. You got buy stops there, Don?
Yep.
Nice.
But if we come down and rebreak the lows, I'm probably delete them.
Good idea.
Oh, pushing. Are we waiting for a closure? Yeah, so in this case here, we got a closure already. Our closure is like around here with this high here. We closed above this 30-minute resistance here, right? The reason why I didn't enter that was just because the 15 was still in the range there as well. I stayed out of that opening, but I'm going to enter once you break these highs here and using the current count stops as my stops here. So we missed out, like from here to the opening is around like 4 or 5 pips. So worst case we missed on 4 or 5 pips. We still got like 11, 12 pips coming up for the range. Might even leave runners today too, because I'm really anticipating this data count will flip bullish here. I think I would have hit break even if I was in it for the first entry. Would have think came what? Oh no, I didn't. No, I think it came like 3 pips. Definitely not break even if I was in the first trade.
It looks like it came up.
Yeah,
More,
it came like 3 pips.
Yeah.
About to break. Breaky. Are you going for break size? Yeah, these are my buy stops right here. I want to stand.
It's a good idea.
Is everything bearish? Yeah, so I explained already, like the daily time frame is technically bullish. Like I'm bullish for a day I was until you break these lows here. So since we came down, rejected that support, didn't break the lows. With that being said, now if we were to close above the range on 30 like we did, then the next range it'll take us up to is going to be the, you know, obviously 153.967 here. So if we go up towards 153.967, this day count will have a steeper wick, something like this potentially, right? Which would mean the 4-hour count is gonna re-break the highs, and then at that point it's like, okay, I think this is a resistance. You gotta question it though. You gotta be okay, are we gonna reject it, or are we gonna break through here? Because if you break through that resistance there, then the chances of us going up to actually flip bullish on a daily is a lot higher. Because look left, we're gonna pop up towards here, and data high is around like this area right here. So day count will have a huge liquidity wick at that given point for price to drop up and continue bullish for a day, as it was for the weekend daily. So like it looks like day is bearish right now, but it's technically bullish until we actually break those lows.
Hey, I got a question on how do you judge liquidity?
It's not really a thing I judge. I just, like, whenever it's like the wick is massive and like bigger than the body, I guess I'll say it's liquidity wick. Like if today's day kind of were a flip here, it'll be a liquidity wick probably, but it's not really like anything I could really anticipate or enter off of or anything. It's more of just when basket activated, guys.
I was just about to say you got activated.
Yeah, basket activated here. This is my TP up here for around 13 pips, and my stop loss is gonna be a current count lows for around 11 pips here.
Good trade.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
That's a good trade.
If I was in the first position, if you guys got in the first position down here, once the candle opened up, I'll look to move my stops to break even now, because this candle here shouldn't flip bearish if it wanted to drive up, and you got in a good position too because you got in on the opening.
This 15-minute closure is important.
Yeah, in a minute. It looks like it's gonna close above. I think this would be my original trade anyways on a 15 if I were to wait for a 15. So
My resistance at 810, so just wanted to close above 810.
oh, it's 8 AM already?
7:43.
I would love to have runners for that 8 a.m. miner news.
I got runners potentially today too. I'm really anticipating a day candle flip. So you're looking at, a 4-pip runner potentially.
How'd you go? Just normal risk.
Yeah. Did I? Yeah, I went normal risk. I thought part of 5 for a second. 15, please have a top
account. My whole account's on this trade, so.
This current 15-minute closes no top wick. Will you manage it anyway or no?
Yes. Probably move stops to break even.
Yeah. No, I was just about to say.
Probably move stops to break even, but let's hope we get a top wick being formed there.
Go, go, go. Music up, music up, music up.
Wait, you have 10 pips.
And no top wick.
Oh, no top wick. Moving my stops to break even, guys. As we have no top wick here on a closure, this is now a risk-free trade.
Keep going. No.
Come on, baby, flip.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
I think now we must survive this lower wick being formed there, because we have no top wick in 15, so the chance of us going up is lower than it would normally be if we were to have a top wick. So I think we guys just survive this lower wick being formed. Once it flips bullish and creates that lower wick, we should be solid towards TP. But let's see.
I think you may be good. I don't know why. I just got a feeling. I got a
it is clean traffic,
Andre,
like very clean.
Positive for once. We're definitely hitting break even.
Positive for once. I'm always positive.
Nah, he's always positive.
Hell, bro, I'll be like, oh, this is the move. He'll be like, nah, you're not getting that move.
It's because you don't take good moves.
Whoa, respect my moves.
If you can flip right here, that'd be perfect.
Yeah, that would be.
And we're not. I think we're gonna come down to a steeper wick probably. Yeah, and there it is.
Break even trade. Not a loss.
My entry was 153.825. It's like a pip away.
That's 39. What's your
this I got break even. Yeah, I got break even.
This is a great time to explain your no top wick situations, because everyone always asks. That's why. That's
a perfect example of it. But if you guys were to take a trade there and it had no top wick and you guys won, you guys say, oh, see, I told you it was gonna go up. Come on. Yeah, so in this case, the reason why I moved stops to break even was because this 15-minute candle had no top wick on its closing, right? So probably a bit going up went from 80 to 50 because it has no top wick. It has no range to continue up. Don't get me wrong, I can still continue up here. It's still valid as long as it respects these lows here. But from our situation, when we're in a trade, from our entry, it just didn't make sense to lose in that trade anymore, because now you gotta figure out, okay, where's the wick gonna go down to? It can come down towards here, or it might just come down and break the lows, who knows. But it's a setup that I wouldn't normally enter off of, so that's why I move my stops to break even. And what I mean by I wouldn't normally enter off of that is I wouldn't enter off of a candle with no top wick. So but yeah, did we get 10 pips on the closing though, on a 30? Was that 10 pips? Oh, that was 10 pips. Yeah, I would have been 10 pips locked in. I probably would have closed half anyways, break even. What's your spread on GJ? I think 1 point something. 1.4. Ooh, we're starting to reject there. If it reflips bullish again, high chance it has to come up towards TP, but I probably won't enter a second position in this case yet, because it has no top wick on a 15. Mars FX. Weekly bullish. Oh, we saw that idea for another guy. Weekly, daily for 1 hour. Listen to the charts in. Clean traffic, 70 pip, clean traffic. Yep, clean traffic as well. Yeah, these are perfect. These are perfect buys.
Yeah, shout out Stefano pointed out that 30 minutes a little bit safer of a resistance level. Looking into yesterday's, if you get it closer there, I mean, it should be.
Oh, above here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's where the rejection's been coming from, so.
Yeah, everyone got buys here. Clean. Yeah. That's a good trade. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it.
Really enjoyed it. It's better than a loss.
I think we managed risk pretty well.
We're working our way back to wins.
I actually want to see us break the lows here, so it'll be, you know, it'll be like, oh, that's our missed to break even. I'm in Canada, Toronto. What broker do you use? I use Churchman. What is here? I don't know what that is. I don't have social media. Does the size of the wick make a difference to you? No, but it has to have a decent wick. So the whole point of it having a wick is this. All right, so we're gonna go back to FOREX 101 real quick. Not even FOREX 101. This is like FOREX 202. Whenever you have this, okay, I haven't done one of these in a while too, so you guys are in for one. So this right here is one huge 4-hour candle. Okay, 1 4-hour. One. Okay, so within how many 1-hour candles are within a 4-hour candle? 4. So then this 4 candle looks something like this probably. 1 2 3, right? But now since that 4-hour candle ended off the wick, it now looks something like this. So now you guys are asking, well, what about this? Okay, this is it. Let me go up, put this on the 15. These are 4x 1 hour. Okay, this is 1 4-hour candle. This is this. So this right here equals this. And I'll show you guys how. So you have a resistance here, obviously. You didn't have a low being formed, support, and with that wick that 4-hour candle created is now that bearish candle. So now it looks something like this. That wick that was being created is now a range, right? That's now a range, and that range is right here. So when price goes up to fill the wick, what happens is this on a 4-hour time frame. We push up to fill the wick like that. On a small time frame, all that happens is prices just form a support like this to retest the highs. So when you have a wick, it means you have a range to actually continue up. Whereas if you have no wick, none of this right here will be valid, because if you have no wick, it'll look something like this. It'll just look like that, right? It would just be, oh yeah, we're at resistance now. So probably of us going up is a lot lower than it would be if we were to have a range to actually continue up, because that range is just a pullback on a small time frame. So that is what it means to having no top wick, and that's why I move my stops to break even.
Not sure who I was talking to when the internet dropped, but someone asked that specific question. That was like the best answer.
What question was it?
It was just how to read candles backwards.
Tyler and moderator?
Tariq.
Oh, Tariq.
That was your example, brother.
Yeah, I wonder if you're still here. Yeah, please chat. Yeah, thank you. Look at that, guys. We came down. Did we break the lows? No, we didn't break the lows, did we? Yeah, we didn't break the lows yet, but what's gold doing? Nothing. Okay, cool.
Send in a gold idea. Tell me what you think.
Yep. For some reason that's not the chart. Am I tripping? This is GJ still, I think, bro.
I'm scuffed, bro.
Yeah, maybe you're the one scuffed today. My guy.
Oh no, the one I just sent, man. I deleted everything. I guess
no. Okay, explain it. What are you looking for?
Yeah, gold 30 minute.
Yeah.
I have my resistance up here, right? Support here. If this current 30-minute closes below here, I'll look to take a celery sell coming down to retest the support here.
Me too.
With the 8 a.m. opening.
Does it? Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, they had more. Oh yeah. Same idea I have. Yep. Because it's breaking back into the range, right? It's like a fake on the 15-minute time frame, I believe. Yeah, fake on 15 and then 30-minute. Are you gonna wait for the 30-minute flip? Oh, we have 5 minutes left in this candle. I think I might just wait for this 15 to close.
I was gonna wait for this current 30 minutes to close.
Yeah.
Respect 18-15-4-2, which is now flipping. And then take the celery play coming down on the 30-minute lows that are about to close, but I don't know. We may not get that. I mean, just this 15-minute actually is a celery play right now.
Yes, it is.
Fuck, I didn't even see that.
I saw it, but I was gonna wait for the 15 to close here in 5 minutes.
Yeah. This is gonna push though. Stops are 14 pips. It's not as clean looking left.
Yeah, that's why I was waiting for a close, because 15 is like, if you look left here, it's like it came down so many times before, but it just expected it right here. Yep. I think a 1 hour starter play or 30-minute starter play would be a lot cleaner, but let's see. Have you ever flipped a chart? Yes, I have. You guys want to what?
No. I just I was gonna say I almost want this current 30-minute to close bullish, and then that confirmation of breaking the lows will be better for sells rather than like a doji or weak bearish.
How big are stops on 30-minute time frame? 25 pips. Not bad. Not quite bad, innit, mate? Hey, guys, this is a perfect example of the daily time frame of GJ. The daily time frames do nothing different here on GJ angle or on the daily time frame versus the 15-minute time frame. It's doing the exact same thing. You close above the range, and this count here is currently bearish today, but as long as it respects the lows, it can still flip bullish to continue up. So that's what I was trying to point out earlier on GJ on the daily time frame. It's still bullish today as long as you respect those lows. It can still flip bullish to continue up. All right, it's the same concept as the 15-minute time frame. Did I change your hat? Nah, the hat changed me. I changed my hat, yeah. I got a couple I can rotate through. This is like a Tour FX hat. The side has a logo. Who's your broker, Mr. JXTR? Yo, look at your yeah. So I look at my charts upside down sometimes. Well, I used to. Now I don't use it for confirmation, but it's cool. It's like, oh wow, nice. There's some nice sells there, right? It's like, oh, it's a fake out back in the range. You guys click Alt I, it does it. Yeah, I get those sells on a GJ 50-minute time frame. Those are clean.
I just got so confused for a second. I was like, what are you talking about?
Oh, my question is, did you see that trade 5 minutes ago? I forgot to put it up. My bad, guys. It was a break-even trade. Yeah, we took it on stream. I gotta switch hats. This hat hurts.
Don, how do you feel about sells on gold? This 15-minute closes below 18.1430. 15-minute stops. I know it's the new hourly.
You see something, Andre? I was changing my hat.
What do you think about these gold sells on the 15-minute if we close below 18.1439?
I wanted a I honestly rather prefer close bullish on 30-minute time frame and then give us the 30-minute starter play going down.
Yeah.
Option number 2 would be a 15 closing way below, like at 1813.951 or something. To take my styles, those two, I think. But yeah, I want this 1 hour or maybe 1 hour starter play. Yeah, it's 8 AM here. 1 hour starter play will be clean. Look at the 1 hour. We can come down and break those lows. 8 AM volume, New York Open.
I'll take these 30-minute seller plays. Oh, we're about to close Doge. Never mind.
What are you talking about? I didn't say anything.
What?
Somebody said about to close Doji Samurai. I'm like, I didn't say anything.
I didn't say that.
Oh, I thought I heard that.
It's all right.
Ooh, no bottom wick on this new candle here. 1 hour close bullish, guys. So technically it should go up, right? So the reason why we have a sell stops there, or technically once you break the lows, that's where my stops would be, is because that is the starter play. That's when we're breaking structure and expecting price to come down towards the next TP here, right? So because this now 30-minute candle is now acting as a support here. If that were to break, then high chance you have a price to drive down towards 1811. Oh, GG came back into the range.
Such a shocked closure.
Aren't you guys happy that we got a break even there? Never move your stops too early. It has nothing to do with that. It had to do with just purely price. Price. Why is it a big deal if there's no bond wick? It's not really a big deal, but I don't know. If price is closing bullish here, I would expect a bond wick to be formed once you actually flip before you flip bullish. 85% counts have bond wicks. So when there's no bond wick, I usually stay out. If I was looking for buys right now, I would stay out because there's no bond wick in that 15. Hence why I stayed out with that position yesterday that these guys took, or some of these guys took on the stream. Yeah, if GG comes back into this range here, looks like it is, then I think today is gonna continue down bearish to break these lows. Because we're probably gonna pop back down towards 153.571, which is push us towards daily lows again. What's going on, beeps? He didn't always trade GJ and gold. I'm just saying before he was trading those. What are you guys talking about? I've always traded GJ and gold. My first pair was actually gold, or my second pair was gold. I think my first pair was US 30. And then gold. I've always been with gold. I like GJ just because I used to trade a lot of GA and stuff, but I consider GJ just because I feel like it wasn't too volatile, it wasn't too slow, it was like the perfect mix, and as well with the like yen is technically closed right now, so during New York session I can only focus, I'm only gonna focus on the pound, right? Whereas like GU for example, I gotta focus on both the pound and the dollar at the same given time. So that's why I like GJ. Don't having a tough month. It's probably my toughest month since October. Let's see though. Week's not over, right? But I'm not gonna be forcing positions for me to get the week in a win. I haven't had a lost week since like October or something. Even like before. It's been a while. It's fun though.
That celery play on GJ.
30?
Yeah.
Oh, 1530? Yeah. 1 hour close bullish too. Quick fill. What is it? Thursday? Oh man, tomorrow's Friday, guys.
Poopy week.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make it out alive right now.
You just want the week to end? I want the week to end too.
I want the weekend so bad. Happy we got break even today. So far.
Yeah, that's a good management.
Those are the trades you learn from. It's nice when it's not like painful learning, you know? No tough love. Get a nice break even.
Yeah. And you see it, you see why you got to break even, right?
Yeah. Journal it up. Live and learn.
How's your mom looking, sir? Yeah, the sir at the end, Andre, really? The sirs. Because I had juicy dumpling yesterday. You guys ever had that?
What?
Like it's like soup dumpling. It has soup inside the dumpling.
No.
I don't even want to search anything up on Google no more, bro.
Yeah, PTSD.
Oh my god. I can't even type. Jeez, my typing is chalk, guys. You guys ever had these? They're good. They're like, you bite them and juice pops. Alright, let's just change the topic. You guys are weird. You guys are weird. Chat is different now, you know? You guys are just different. You guys changed over the last 2 days. You guys got more sus. You guys just, man. You're done. Was that a dumpling on your IG? Yes, it was a dumpling on my IG. It was this. It was juicy dumplings.
Juicy dumplings.
Yeah. She pretty good. Hella cheap too. I'm down 2%. If I lose a trade, I would say it's a dub. That's not bad. I think I'm down like $1,000 this month over this month overall. Yeah. I left and came back to you. No hat. It's not a new hat. You're the one tripping. You're the one tripping. This song gets me so hyped. You know what song gets me hyped? Every single day, man. I can't. It doesn't get old. Every day. You try like pork belly on a steam bun? No, not on a steam bun. I've had pork belly before on ramen noodles. Could you please review my analysis for GPUSD? Yes, send it. Send it.
Dancing mad harsh.
Try and copy this message. Chat's moving so fast. Can't even. Well, up, boys. Y'all keep me going still. You ever update your strategy? No. What's your update? I mean, I updated minor things. Like, for example, the past 3 months I've been looking at no ball and wicks on opening of candles, on closing of candles, etc. Like, those are minor things I update and add to it. But the original, like, base of it is the same. It's always been the same.
Oh, shit. You know what I noticed?
What?
This hourly on GJ. I don't know if I would consider that a doji candle.
No, I think this is a weak bullish candle. I don't think it's doji.
Yeah, weak bullish candle.
Yeah. You love dojis now, don't you?
That was those buys right there were the same buys that I had. Man, stop loss is like 6 pips. Like the risk is just so small. Or the risk free right now at 8 pips.
If it was doji?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. There's no buys you can get now. It's, aside from those, it's probably just fits me and starter players' 30s. Obviously, you get your 10 pips by then.
Yeah. Yep.
Don listening to Don? Yes. Yeah, I think I want to move to Florida, man. I think that's my new that's where I want to go.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
Don, take us straight today. Would you mind going over it? I gotcha. So you know why? I can drive my Lambo everywhere I go. In Canada, I can't. I gotta drive during the winter or summer only. Trade place at 0.30. Looking to see if price would trace at 45 and hit stop loss at break even. Wait, what about the trade you're asking? Going over it? Okay, just going over it. I got you. Retest support, confirmation of level. DP took to be stop loss current kind of high. I think it's a good trade. I think it was more of an impulse trade though. It was more of an impulse as you were breaking below here. You identified that once you break below, I don't know what the song is. I only listen to one song. Yeah, so as you were breaking these lows here, you identified as an impulse sell coming down because looking left, that was clean traffic breaking into that range there. So that wasn't bad. What's the other song, Andre? Can't like it.
My favorite one?
Yeah. I got you.
Yeah,
I know what it is.
Oh, you got? You know? Okay.
I didn't like Spanish music, if I'm being honest with you guys, but something is different on a stream.
Hey.
Is this it?
This is it. Fuego.
Oh yeah.
It's like halfway through the song, he starts going wild.
Fuego. La Romana, yes, no. Chat knows.
I don't know what he's saying, but whatever he's saying, he needs that shit. Said it with his chest.
You listen to Shaka's Doge from Toronto? Nah, I don't. I don't listen to a lot of Toronto rappers. Like, I know a couple, but or Toronto artists, not rappers. The chat. I don't know what you're saying, man, but yeah, good stuff. First off, funny how people that live there never go to the amusement parks, but everyone else in the state does. Amusement parks? What do I gotta go to amusement parks for? El loco? Oh, Disneyland. That makes sense. Mia by Bad Bunny with Drake is fire. Hey, what's happening with Golden GG though? I mean, Gold's pushing up obviously, right, with the NY Open. Yeah. Respecting that 4-hour support. Look at that. There's that 4-hour support that we've been respecting. I think bias for me though would be above I want to say this range right here on a 30-minute time frame. $18.24.
Ignifak caught some gold buys he sent in Discord.
Oh, sorry, right here. You did? Where? What chat? Community?
Maybe an accountability or something. I don't know. I think chat's moving fast on the YouTube side. So you send it on Discord for you to check out. The fact you have Zoom, bro. Come on the other side.
Yo, what's he saying? What does this mean?
Fire.
Fire.
Fuego's fire.
This time makes me want to drink, even though I don't drink. This shit got me twerking. Yes, got Joe. Oh man, the vibes are revived. What's this there? All right. Drew can close back to the range again with a 1 hour wick fill. Would you consider re-answering or wait for something cleaner? GJ 1 hour time frame. I would wait for the 1 hour close or the 30-minute closer. And look, oh wait, these 15-minute buys aren't bad as we were breaking back to the range as support. No buy on wick though on this candle. I want to see how big our stop. That's a very small stop though, right? I think that's a like a 4 pip stop if you enter out of flipping that candle. I think what could happen though is since we have a high being created here, depends on where the high is. If you start to flip bearish now and to give us that bottom wick after, like this, you know, I think once you re-break those highs again, I think those are the buys you probably want after you have the bottom wick. So then stops would be like, I don't know. It depends on where the high is, obviously, before we flip. But if we flip, stops look like it's gonna be, I don't know. Let's say right here, looking at around a 6 pip stop, which is not bad for price to go up to retest the highs.
I think we're gonna break those
there's
lows
the
and
bottom
come
wick.
down.
There's the bottom wick. Yeah, well, that's what I'm waiting for. If we can break 155, 153, 835.
Yeah.
I want a steeper wick though. A little lower.
I've got my resistance at 810, so that previous 15-minute from me closed below, and this is like the top wick for the seller. He played back down to fill the range on my chart, so I think I'll stay out.
I also think 30-minute closure isn't bad too. That's in 13 minutes though. I believe with that, like we might just get the push. We might just get the push. Here's the push. There's the highs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay on my way for 30. Close. I wanted a steeper wick. Yeah. But this was what I was talking about earlier, guys. I said it not even earlier, like a minute ago. I said how I wanted a lower wick, and once you re-break those highs, those aren't bad buys at all. Stops would be a previous kind of low though, down here, and TP be up there. You have this right here, which is around like 6 pips around that range to move your stops to break even, and then risk free towards TP after. But I'm gonna wait for the 30 closer. You hear that voice in the back?
Yes.
Just hear that? You hear that?
This guy, man.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna be looking at GJ going up today.
Do you calculate your lot size before every trade? No, I have a set lot size that I've been sticking to for the whole year so far, and I'm probably gonna stick to that lot size for a whole entire year until next year. I'm gonna drop my lot size in Q4 and then bring them back up to my original lot size, you know, Q1, and then as Q2, 3, 4 goes down next year, I'm gonna increase them towards, you know, like the 15s and 20s potentially. Right now I'm at 10 on GJ.
Hey Don.
Yo.
is the point of lowering your lot size for quarter four like I mean, I assume it's not just for one particular reason. I'm sure there's like a couple reasons, but could you tell us like the reasons why? Because I always struggle.
I don't know why. It's the thing.
Yeah,
I just
see.
do
I don't
it.
understand why people do it.
I just
like
do
if
just
it's like.
Yeah, go on.
Because what?
Go on.
No. I'm trying to. I'm like lost. I'm befuddled. I don't understand. Like, if like there's less volatility.
There's.
Volume dies down end of the year. Most of the time, it's a psychological thing. Also, most of the people will make their profits in quarter 2 and 3, which are big quarters, and lots of volume, and then to be positive for the rest of the year. And, trades don't run as long as they would. They don't go for as many pips.
Yeah.
Less volume, so your probability kind of dies down. So people's probability goes down, let's say from 80 to 70%. And they've made a whole bunch of money. They'll tend to risk less just to not to lose what they've made.
Yeah, I'll say that's probably the main reason that's what I did last year. I just because last year quarter 4 was pretty choppy as well from October until December. So I just brought my losses down, and yeah. But another reason I did it was also because I don't know. I think
people learn discipline that way.
Yeah.
I did it last year. I did it in October. Yeah, quarter 4. But I had a different reason. I just had a bad losing streak in quarter 3, and I needed to do that to get back on track. So lowered my lot size.
Lagged on my end. I can't see you on YouTube.
Oh, Zoom's working. No, I'm good.
You're good. It lagged for like 10 full seconds.
Yeah,
a little spiral came up.
All right, guys. I'm done with Spanish music for today. Like Spanish music for me, I'm not a big fan of Spanish music. I like maybe 3 songs. Like don't think like I like 3 songs. Chat loves it though. I know you guys love it. Maybe one day we'll play the whole entire stream, but I can't. It's too chaotic for me, man. Like unless I'm dancing or chilling at like a club or whatever, I can't. But yeah, going back to that question, Mr. JXTR. So I'll lower my loss in quarter 4, and then quarter 1, 2, I'll tend to raise them up. Last year, that's what I did. I was at 8 lot last year. And then at the end of the year, I brought down to a 4 or not even 4, a 3, 4-ish around a lot. And then quarter 1 again, I brought back up to 8, and then now I'm at 10. So I think I'm staying at 10 for the whole entire year. And then quarter 4, I'm bringing it down to like a 5 or something, 5, 6. And then next year, 2022, I'm gonna bring it back up to a 15, or make my way up to a 15 as the months go by. But that's how I increase loss. It's all personal preference. You don't gotta do it how I do it. You can do it a lot quicker, a lot slower, but it's my pace, right? And I'm also very comfortable using my current losses right now too. We'll play a new EP dropping this Saturday. My new EP, Chalked. I'm joking. What's it called? No free promo actually. Never mind. Someone sent charts in. Did someone send charts? If you guys sent charts in, just resend it. Just resend it. The vibes are too immaculate to check charts. What else could we play today? What else could we play? What else could we play? I gotta add the Spanish music to the list. The Bye Bye Bunny song. Yeah, we actually have a community chat, and in one of the chats we have the music chats. So you guys can send your music that you guys want to play on stream there once it opens up the community. I just gotta see if it's copyright free or not. I mean, not copyright free. I gotta see if it's I can play it fucking monetized. So when you think if the price flips bearish and breaks the previous candle low to take sells, I gotcha. If it reflips bearish, I think that's a good. Oh, what pair is this? GJ? Oh, GU. Yeah, it's not bad. If it flips bearish while breaking the highs, your stop loss will be a current candle high or two the previous candle high up here. Flips bearish should come down to retest the lows here. That looks pretty solid. Mm-hmm. 5 minutes for a closure here. If we can close above the range here, maybe like something like this, that'd be perfect for bias.
Yep.
Who said yep?
Mars.
Mars, yeah.
I think I need some pre-market fuel.
I want some too, but I don't want to get like I don't want to juice up too much. It's so addicting.
Yeah, I've already had coffee, so I'm definitely gonna have pre-market fuel.
You're gonna have
What's the
both.
active ingredient in there?
What's up?
Caffeine.
Caffeine, is that what it is?
Yeah, 140. It's not as much as like a pre-workout.
There's 2 calories.
Yeah, pre-workout's like 200 grams of caffeine.
It's got vitamin C. Good for the immune system.
Yeah, that's why you drink it. Just trying not to catch this cold.
You know the vibes.
Pre-market fuel, exclamation point fuel in the chat, guys. For moderators, put that up. Use code Control FX at checkout. Pretty dope. 50% off. Lot size is best for a small account 500. I'll say a 0.05 lot. The 0.05 lot. I'll say a good lot size for, it depends on your risk, right? But a good average would be like every $1,000 account 0.10s. So $2,000 account 0.20s, $3,000 account 0.30s. Like that's the average, like decent lot. I think around 1% risk depending on how big your stops are per trade. Do you also believe in just trading one pair like you do to be successful? You can be successful trading 1,000 pairs if you want. You can be successful trading 1 pair, 2 pairs. It's just what you like and what you want to do, right? I have reasonings to why I trade 1 pair. And that's because it doesn't really, it forces me not to overtrade. Because I'm not looking at too many pairs. I'm focused on just 1 set pair. And Sunrise not trading? Oh no, that's someone else. Okay, Skyline trading. Is this a chart for me or someone else? That's not for me. What about for gold with $5 account? It depends on your stop loss again, right? It depends on your stop loss. How big's your stops per trade? If you have a 20 pip stop versus you have a 30 pip stop or a 40 pip stop, your percentage would be different. Some trades could be 1%, some trades could be 2%, 3%, right? So the bigger stop loss, the smaller lot size, obviously, to make it 1%. Depends. What would happen to price if the unemployment rate is lower than the forecasted unemployment rate? Yeah, it's good news in this case today if that were to happen, because I think yeah, it says right here, it says on usual effect, actual less than forecast good for currency, and they're expecting less than forecast, so they're expecting good numbers. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a drink of that pre-market fuel. Give me like 1 minute. Andre, do your thing. No pressure.
We got any questions on any different pairs?
No.
I'm looking to anticipate. Wow, that is one scuffed candle if I've ever seen it.
Shush.
Bro, use the blue, bro.
I'm working on it. Ready?
What the fuck?
There we go. There we
Somebody
go.
take away his markers.
Yeah.
Hey man, it's not about. It's not
Get
about
these
the
Crayola crayons away from Mars right now.
Yeah. Why
Man,
is GJ?
all I'm saying
ass
is
this week?
when that happens, they're all gonna be eating your words.
If you want, what I can do for you
I hope it
is I can draw it out the way it's supposed to look, right? So, one like this, maybe, right? There we go.
Why blue?
Yeah, because that's the closest thing to green, my friend.
But you could just use green. What's closer to green, chat? Green or blue?
I go with blue.
Yeah, chat's about to roast you, my
Yeah,
friend.
dude. Yeah, dude. Blue equals green, dude. Yeah. My bad, guys. I'm a fucking idiot.
Blue. Laugh out loud. Blue.
All right, chat. You guys are a bunch of kindergartners.
L's in the chat for Marcos.
Blue is the greenest blue.
Marco has gold drop in here. Listen, guys, we had no bottom wick on the hourly. The hourly now has a bottom wick. We could potentially be rejecting 18.15. I'm not in any position.
Ooh. GJ. Perfect GJ closer for me not to take a trade. Love that.
You had you have news right here, right? This is news. Right here, pushing price up.
Yep.
So we're gonna drive up towards this TP guy at 153. Yeah.
So much pain, man.
Looks like we're gonna drive up here, guys. Oof.
More buys above 15398.
Yeah. I was gonna
About
say
20.
with the break of those highs, maybe to get like an impulse buy going up, stops current candle or pairs candle low.
Yeah, I low key took a position.
You took an impulse.
Yeah, on the break of the highs.
I just don't like news. I
Oh,
don't like news
gold.
trades. You know.
Wow.
God damn.
Good gold.
Fuck.
We may get the buys above 18.22.
Yeah.
News
Perfecto.
trades make me sad. I don't take them.
It was worked out exactly the way it was supposed to.
Let's see what numbers came out. Numbers came out. It looked like we came out
More unemployment claims.
good.
Oh no, they came out good.
Yep, came up good. So here's the thing: it came out good. Gold's going up. Doesn't make any sense, right? You guys may be asking. This is why I don't trade on spikes like that.
So I don't guess.
Yeah, I don't guess. So I'm gonna look to, obviously my bias is still bearish for a day. Nothing has changed. I'm only looking for buys if we were to break like 822 levels. So if we were to pop back into the range, I may look for sells coming down, but until then, there's just no positions right now. GG on the other hand came up, flipped bullish, came back down, broke the lows, right? That was all news. Hence, if there wasn't news there, I would have probably answered on the opening of the candle because that was what we were waiting for. We were waiting for earlier. But since it's news, I can't tend to stay out. So let's see what happens here. Look at this now, right? We got a bunch of charts going on. And the fact, is that yours? Ooh, pre-market fee hidden different today. Just a little different.
The bottom of the batch.
Just better. That's some good stuff, guys. Two buys at the break of the range for 17 pip target and 9 pip stop loss. Oh, nice. You got an entry as right here. Oh, wow. So what happened? Did you like the stops break even? Like what happened here? This kind of came up, came near TP, and then came back down. Didn't stop you up, but came back to your entry point. So what'd you do? I can't pronounce your name. Deheria? I don't know. You got a chart too. Clean traffic. Can we consider bias if the next candle breaks this high of the current candles? This is gold. What time is this? Oh wow, this happened already, right? Did this happen already? I got too many charts up. Too many charts up. I'm not sure
we're gonna
if this
see,
happened yet.
I think we're gonna see gold come down eventually.
Yeah, overall bias is still valid, right?
Well, I figure that it wasn't a red folder, right? So
Yeah.
a red folder would have sent it the way it's supposed to go. Like an orange folder, it takes a little bit of time to get absorbed by the market or to be affected or whatever. So I figure it's still valid and gold should still come down. It's going to take a little while for it to come down. It's not going to come down right away like on a red folder.
Yeah. There, guys. I'm looking for sells if we were break back to the range. Same concept as earlier for gold here on a 15. Gonna look if we can get closure here for price to continue coming down back into the range. Samurai's chart, I got you. Price dropped sharply on CPI news. Inflation is here. The Fed is printing money. Looking for US 30 to retest the zones and later head back down. Oh, some nice counts there. Downtrend in the near term. Opportunities to hop into sells sometimes today. Yeah, price is definitely bearish on daily, weekly, 4 hour. Yeah, sells. I think sells would be valid if we were to range create a support right here, which we did, and then get a closure below there for price to drop down like this, and then price may continue down further. I think that's the next sells you probably get. Yep. Look at my EJ sub. Wow. Which is running. It's still running. Nice. Let's see. Doesn't work. Doesn't work for some reason. What you do? GD came down, broke 30-minute lows, broke 15-minute lows, but still respecting the 1 hour lows here. Yeah, this is nothing I can take in this situation. This chart looks too messy here. Too many levels. What software do you use to stream? I use OBS Streamlabs, which I should actually use OBS, not Streamlabs. But I'm too lazy to make that transition now. Back to OBS. What's your view on GG long term? It's been bullish for a while for me. I mean, I've been bullish since like December. As the month started close bullish, right? Bullish. This month you have the starter play. I didn't even notice that. You have a monthly starter play here. I believe we should be approaching 155, 262 this week, or this month at least. And I want to say if this resistance here were to break here, then we should pop up towards 160. If that were to break, then we're popping up towards 181. But obviously for this to happen, you're gonna need a lot of news, a lot of changes in the economy to happen. So price action just tends to match with fundamentals, so you probably will see something happen within these months to come if price were to pop up towards that 181 level eventually, right? It's simple stuff though. Range, wait for a breakout, closure above indicates that we're going to push up. You look for buyers during that month. Same concept as you would do it every day. But there's like no guessing, right? No guessing, guys. Never guess in FX. No predicting, no guessing. Do you have any idea about Doge analysis? Yeah, I do. Here we go. Marcos' favorite.
Gotta pull in those views, baby.
Oh, we cannot break the lows. I mean, I'm bullish. It's just that, okay, well, we're bullish now. I think for us to really break new highs again, we're probably gonna have to break this resistance here at 69 cents, obviously. A closure above would be ideal for us to continue up. The trends are still bullish here. Price, since it broke back into range here today, however, it might pop back into this range here to fill it at the 26 cent mark. I think I'll wait for the day candle close today, see how we react, because if we close bullish today back into this range like this, will indicate that we are forming support to continue back up to retest the highs. And if we're to close bearish below the range, it indicates that we're breaking support, and therefore we should come down towards the next support, which is going to be down here at 26 cents. So yeah, I mean, if you're a crypto holder, you shouldn't be looking at technicals, to be honest with you, unless you're like intraday trading it. But I'm in XRP right now, and I honestly don't care what happens with XRP within the next couple of days or weeks to come. This is whatever. Why my charge chalked? What happened? Oh man. Here we go. Oh. Trading view, trading view, trading view. Why does it restart it? All right, new chart 153.606. That's your support formed on the 30 on 1530. And buys, obviously we had it right around here as your support, and the next resistance you have is gonna be somewhere up here at that range on the 30. If that were to break, then you're looking up here later on. Perfect. Pre-market US30 since nothing's happening. Sure. I'm just not market. I'm never gonna go in depth detail with that. Wait, what happened to US30? I thought when someone sent me a chart earlier, it was bearish. This is 4 hours bullish. Oh, it was a 4-hour time frame. Oh yeah, 4 hours bouncing off that support there. I think the daily was bearish at one point. Now it's Doge flipping bullish, rejecting off that support there. Weekly is bearish, but I think you have like a support form right here, and then you have a resistance right around here. I want to say if that were to break, then you may look for more buyers going up to fill this range here, going up like this to this area. And if that were to break, obviously price will continue to push up, but you probably want to wait for a closure above 33.626 in order for us to get more buyers going up on US30 here.
Hey, Don, what do you think about GBP's JPY closing like that for a buy?
GPGPY?
Like, yeah, like right now, how it is on 15 minutes.
It's pretty chalked. I'll say I would rather want a 30-minute closure above, because 30-minute hasn't really closed above the area before, whereas the 15 has and just rejected. I'll wait for a 30 in like 15 minutes to close. Also, with the 30 candle closing as well as the 1 hour candle closing, so you can actually enter buys off the 1 hour candle at 9 a.m. And expect the price to push up to fill that wick if it were to close right here. But that's in like 20 minutes, so.
Got you.
Yeah, 15 just doesn't look as clean anymore. It was clean, but not anymore. When we first got in a trade earlier, the first trade, it was clean, but then the price came up, no top wick, and it just ruined everything. Now it's choppy. Huh? What girl? What are you talking about? How do you draw the counts on your chart? I mean, using which buttons? Right here, guys. So this is what I use. This is a secret right here. This is how I draw my counts out. So I click this, let's draw a candle out, delete that, you know, wicks are like that. Colors are here. This is bearish count coming down, right? pretty fluid. This is like resistance here, support here. These are arrows going up. So it is Texas right here. Right, pretty cool, right? That's all in zoom annotations. Tell me you're a good trader without telling me you're a good trader. Oh, I'm gonna make that TikTok. I think my draw candles out. Tell me you're a good trader without telling me you're a good trader. I like this.
Love it.
I draw the whole entire range out.
Yes.
Michael, don't steal my idea, okay?
I wasn't even listening. I'm so zoned out.
I was like, you know that TikTok, that trend that goes like, tell me you're a good trader without telling me you're a good trader.
Yeah.
I'll draw candles on the whole entire screen.
Bro, just show your MT5, bro. Listen,
flex on TikTok.
Chat, hear me out. I got a marketing degree.
I want
know
to flex on TikTok.
He says he doesn't want to flex on TikTok, but then says he's down bad on TikTok. You're not flexing. You're just showing your viewers what's possible and attracting them to actual education so they don't get scammed. There's people getting scammed out there by these fake flexers. Why don't you real flex, do it humbly and gain followers and then bring them to your stream where they can learn the right way? You're saving humanity. All right. I know Chad agrees.
So
I know
to
Chad agrees with me.
Marcos.
You don't have a Lambo. You can't flex that. You're just flexing your MT5 terminal. You know what I mean?
You're right. I mean, I show my prowess on Instagram, but I show them not to flex. I show them to like show you know, managing risk, etc. So I just gotta do the same thing on TikTok, I guess. But
look at Nefak. He said flex. I got scammed for 3 years.
How about now, Nefak?
This man just called him Nefak.
Nefak, bro. If you're gonna flex earlier, I would have saved 5K. You're right.
You're saving people a lot of money. I know you want to be humble. You can flex humbly. You earned the right to flex a little bit. All right, a little bit.
But a lot of that shit is because other people talk like he ain't doing it. And this is just very easy to show and put up. Like,
do you guys wanna make?
Yo, remember that guy? We can name drop because this is honestly just a meme. No, it's Forex Lifestyle.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
No free
Oh
promo.
yeah.
You know what I'm talking. That's old. It's old. That's like if you're an old head in the community, you remember that.
Jesus, Forex Lifestyle.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
That's where that hashtag got so big.
With the car and the suit and tie,
bro, and the Gucci.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the Gucci, and the guys are like 4 MacBooks. You know.
Bro, that's the first person I ever saw on this community. I thought he was it.
That's down bad for you.
Down horrendous.
Yeah. Show for motivation. People see that as motivation. I don't know. My intention would never show it for motivation, though. Am I just weird? I'm just weird, right, chat? I'm just probably just weird.
I'm telling you, just take me on as your. I'll give you free marketing advice every day. I'll help you out. Going to the moon, baby.
Control FX to the moon, baby. Yeah.
GJ.
Yeah.
Wants to flip.
Takes off my screen.
15 minutes so ugly now.
Slowly getting down and flex more. Hey, that car that I drove yesterday, man. You know what I drove yesterday? I drove a Hyundai.
Yucky.
He's like, yo, you wanna go in sports mode? I'm like, nah, bro, that's too scary.
You were in an Uber?
No, man, I drove my boy's Hyundai Elantra. Andre, man, not everyone has a BMW like you, man. Yo, I was looking at some Beamers yesterday. I saw a nice one in real life. M3. Oh man, matte green, juice. That was a juicy.
You don't know what a nice BMW yet.
What?
You don't know what a nice BMW is yet.
Excuse me?
Man, there's so many nicer BMWs than a M3.
Yeah, but I mean,
I don't know anything about cars, guys. I just know about Teslas. I can tell you the inside out of Tesla. That's about it.
I took my my neighbor for a ride in the M yesterday after we had a drink.
What's he driving?
He's got.
So we had a drink.
We did. We had a glass of wine at the bar downstairs. He's got a i8 20.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I hate i8s, bro.
i8.
I hate
Isn't that
them.
like
Your
the
M
worst?
is faster than the i8.
Oh yeah, definitely. My 0 to 60 is like
He's got some
200
small
of a
tires
second.
too. The only nice
Question,
thing about it is
Andre.
got the doors up.
Yeah, the doors are fire. What's up, Marcos?
Is I heard like in the grapevine, isn't the i8 like the fastest depreciating car or something like that?
Depreciating?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
guess when you're a multi-millionaire, you don't care that much. But
How much is i8? 80K?
Nah, more than that.
120?
Yeah, around there. It's a
Why not get a
six-figure car.
Porsche? A GT3 RS, same price.
preference?
Honestly, I hate i8s. I used to like them because of DDG, but they're so ugly. I'd rather get M3.
I'm not gonna lie, in person, like, because obviously he parks in the same garage as me, so I get to like get up and close to it. They look a lot different in person than they do you know, photos and videos.
Yeah.
Hopefully he lets me drive it. I get to review it for the channel.
Dude, you know what I saw yesterday? I saw like 8 Corvettes. What's that Corvette with the drop top? Everyone had the same one yesterday in like, Toronto. It's so weird. I forgot what it's called. I hate Corvettes though. You might as well get like a, I don't know.
Wait, what?
What?
You hate Corvettes?
I hate Corvettes.
Tariq, man, Tariq never says anything.
I don't like Corvettes
hate
either.
Corvettes.
I don't like Americans.
Corvette. Hop in a motherfucking jet like jet.
I hate Corvettes.
I think I need a new mentor. I
I hate Corvettes. I hate Corvettes. Why get a Corvette? How much is a Corvette?
Listen, the C8 is like 60K base model.
I
Oh
don't
my
know.
god.
It's like a Walmart version of a Lambo, man. You might as well get a Lambo or something.
yes, I
Excuse
love
me?
that. Did you get that from me, the Walmart version? Because I say that. Or did you get that somewhere
No, I
else?
said that. I heard
I
that.
don't like this group anymore. I don't know. I feel.
We're dropping like flies now.
Oh man.
That's funny. I don't like American cars that much.
What else is American car? What a
Same.
brand?
Mustang?
Mustang. How about Ford? Ford? Oh yeah, I don't like this. I don't like
Ford Focus.
those are chalk guys. I respect it. I don't like it though. I wouldn't get it. I'd rather get like a 2020 Honda Civic or something, honestly.
Then what?
Than a Corvette.
Type R. Get a Type R instead.
Wait, who was just talking that said they love Corvettes?
Tariq.
Tariq.
I'm sorry.
He left
I thought
immediately.
I bounced.
No.
I thought he was out of the Zoom.
Yeah. Corvette.
I cannot see Don in a Hellcat. I can't.
Nah, man. The only thing you see me is a Beamer.
Hey.
Yeah. All right. What should you doing? We have like what 8 minutes for a closure here. It's gonna be a very crucial close, guys. Ford's plastic wheels, basically. No, Fords are actually decently built, right? Aren't they like good for I mean, they last, don't they? They're very durable. You guys love cars? Does everyone in the chat like cars? Like, you guys love cars? That's your favorite topic.
It's a good topic to talk about. At least it's not politics.
Oh, 100%.
Take that over, you know what?
McLarens aren't bad. I actually like McLarens. Now, McLaren traders, that's a different story.
Yeah, I can't hate on McLarens. If you got a McLaren, I mean, hey,
You got
it's a
McLaren. They're nice.
Yeah.
They're nice. I would want one.
In my opinion, if I see McLaren, it's way more hype than if I see like a Lambo. So I think McLaren's just sick.
Yeah, McLaren 720.
I want an Alfa Romeo, to be honest. If I was gonna get a gas car,
Ferraris aren't bad.
bro. Have you ever driven one?
The insides
No.
of a McLaren and
I'm
a
telling-
Lambo are like day and night. Lambos are way nicer inside than the back.
I drove a couple Marcos. My wife and I were looking at one instead of, she got the SQ5 instead.
Yeah.
We were looking at a couple of them and they're kind of chalked.
Look at this right here. Oh yeah.
Quarter mil.
It's same price as Aventador, right?
No, Aventador is double the price.
Nah, it's like 300.
Well, I guess it depends.
The Aventador is around 450. That one's around 220. The Urus is around 220.
I don't know why I love matte black cars. It's just me.
Get a Huracan. A Huracan's around the same price as
Like, imagine a Batmobile. Man, this is be oof.
That's hard. It's $500,000 right now.
Man, that cars all day. See, guys, I have a good taste in cars, right, Andre?
Definitely.
See? Corvette. Oh man, what a gold do here. Wow, rejected that resistance at 1821 here. Wow. Gold looks very choppy.
Yeah.
What you say?
No trade day for me.
Oh no. Yeah. I don't want it to happen, but it could possibly be that day.
But you gotta trade in, break even.
I really expected gold to continue pushing down this morning at 6 a.m. When it broke down for the first time. I'm like, oh yeah, that's Chabella. Like that's 1797. That's why I said it was Algor day today. But that's definitely not the case here yet, at least. Maybe 4 hours gonna close bullish. 4 hour starter play maybe. But man. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like, man. We disconnected midstream, so we gotta recover those likes up. You bald? Hell no, man. I got hair. I am bald. I got hair. Who do you think I am, guys? I'm probably the only mentor right now with hair.
Oh my god. Shots fired.
I'm joking.
The only one with a hairline, yeah.
Yeah, before my hair goes away. I just had a wide head. Like I'm not receding though. Like I always had a wide head.
You do got a wide head.
I do got a wide head.
I never noticed.
But it's not receding though.
It's just
wide. That's always been like that. So ever since I was a kid, I was insecure about my forehead. But as I got older, I just didn't care. Hey man, I'd rather have a wide head than no hair, or at least like receding hairline, right? This is. You know, I realized yesterday though, Marcos looks like Devin Booker.
Yo,
I don't even know who that is. Let me see.
It does look like him a little.
Oh my god.
Look at this.
Yeah, change his name right now from our effects.
Turn your head to the left. Your left. Yeah, it was like Devin Booker, man.
Yo, no cap. I'm way better looking than Devin Booker.
All right, bro. Kendall Jenner, it's all you, bro.
No cap.
It's all
easily, bro. Easily. Oh no, she's like 6'9", bro. I'm 5'10" on a tippy toe day.
Tippy toe day.
Yo, Devin. That guy stinks, bro. He sucks at basketball too.
Nah, he's not bad.
I cross him up. In my prime. I'm washed now, but in my prime.
They played in high school together, Mars and Devin.
Yeah, in my prime, I would take him out.
Marcos Booker.
Yo, I'm consistently roasted in this chat, huh?
Yeah, first Arthur, and now Devin Booker. It's all love.
Zoom's filled with celebrities.
Can you give a quick breakdown on GA? Yeah, I got you. Since it's not like I'm like, there's really nothing I'm looking forward to right here. I mean, GJ sells. Oh man, I don't know. Looking very, very choppy. Is this the same resistance here?
Yeah.
Oh, it
same
is.
One.
Wow. I'll put my resistance up here then. Yeah, 153. Yeah.
Haven't even moved since the session started.
Oh, the 15-minute time frame. Oh no, 15's chopped. The 15 looks very choppy, guys. I'll try to stay away from the 15-minute time frame today. Focus more on the 30-minute time frame. But what'd you say? You wanted GA? I got you. GA looking like we are bullish for a day still as we closed above that range here, this resistance here. So we are bullish obviously. Right now we're not though, because we are bearish. 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour is, yeah, it's like, I think for buys to happen, you need a closure above here, but by the looks of it, looks like we may be popping down towards the next support. And that next support is going to be somewhere down here below 817. So I'm looking for sells today. I'll look for sells if we were to close below there, coming down towards the next TP, which will be around, I want to say down here maybe. Out 81350. I think the range to go down below there's a 27 pip range, but yeah, there's some below there. What sounds that work on, Andre?
12ish.
Oh yeah, I forgot. What's your next client?
I got my first client at 10:30. Gotta leave here no later than 10:10. Can't be late to this one.
Should I call it a day now and just start workout?
It's not a bad idea. If anything, we'll catch it mid-workout.
I mean, the 4 hour count closed on GJ here, bullish at support. Rejecting that support there. Oh wow! I just realized daily didn't break the lows, and 4 was rejecting that support, closing bullish. So we should expect this 4 count to continue pushing up. Once it creates a lower wick to fill this range here like this. With that being said, for us to get there and get in buys, I think we need to break above this resistance first though. 153813. So next buy opportunities could be potentially at 930. So the question is, should I stay and catch it on stream or should I hop off?
Stay, Don, stay.
All right, I'll stay. We'll do that at 12. Yeah, it's a vibey day too, so why not? Chat's being good today. Yeah, I'll stay for like a good another solid hour or so, I'd say. Or we just do the workout right now on stream. While we're looking for positions.
I'm with it. Let's go.
Too much pressure, man.
Chest day.
No, we got arm day today.
Like Sylvester Stallone says, all you need is arms and abs. Arms and abs.
You know what my boy says?
Core.
Get that money.
Oh, you can't say that. Is it the core day thing?
Yeah.
What was it again? You can't. Cores are for. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. I'll get banned.
All right, I won't. I'll type it for Wix 9.
Type it in the Zoom.
I got you.
Core day is for someone along those lines.
yeah. Lock the center.
We're not gonna.
That's funny.
Lock on no filter, man. What broker do you recommend for people living in Canada? The trader's domain isn't bad. I think you have KLTFX, you have I didn't think Oanda, if you want regulated. I think they accept Canadians as well. I'm not sure. My brokers left me. Vantage FX. They left Canada. That's honestly up to you. Search up Canadian brokers. It doesn't have to be regulated. It can be unregulated, it's fine. As long as you get your deposits and withdrawals and use any type of manipulations on the charts, should be solid. But the moment you see one manipulation on charts, guys, just leave the broker. You don't want that. Use blueberries. Blueberry market, is that a broker? What's the spreads for ECN accounts? Why you aren't visible? Andre? Oh, I don't know. He got his phone covering. I mean, he's pretty visible. What do you want to see? Is like, you know, his full body or something? Oh man. What manipulations? No, I meant like if you see like any type of manipulations on charts. If you see this on your chart, it's not normal. On like on a broker, you don't want this to happen, right? Like what is this? Guys, look at GJ. Look at GJ right now. Oh my god, it's just pushed up.
You do it, bro.
Imagine
this guy is awful.
How many pips is this? 400 pips. Wow. Yeah.
Still waiting for this 30-minute closure.
Me too.
I've been waiting for it for what, since 7.
Watch it just be a fake out back into the range.
You know what? If I get caught in a fake out, at least it was the trade. You know?
It was the trade. Yeah, it was the trade.
And this is the 9:30 candle. If it doesn't close, I'm getting off and going to the gym. His birthday's tomorrow too. I gotta prepare.
Yeah, you gotta keep the focus on charge time. I like this guy Tao. He's pretty funny.
Bruh. I would be so happy if we got just a nice closure and a nice trade today. Show the patience pay off. Look at all those wicks too. Every wick just makes the closure that much more important.
Yep, makes it much stronger. It's funny to think
17.
the last trade we took was before all this happened though. It was like right here.
Yeah.
It was a pretty good day though. Like technicals like kind of played pretty nicely today.
The technicals are beautiful with right now with this trade if it works out. It's one of those Instagram trades.
Okay guys, today we're looking at the pound dollar, QE dollar. The third face cam, man, should be turned off right and showing on his lock character. That's just a lock character. You gotta unlock him.
All right, buddy. Fed enough of you today.
Buddy. Jesus. Savage. This guy Andre said. This guy Andre really said this. This guy Andre really said.
Turn it up a little bit. I can hear it.
That's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classic, bougie, ratchet.
You hear it? Hello?
Hey, yo.
This guy just said, I'm a savage. Why is he giving a full depth announcement on everyone's cam? I don't know, man. Maybe he comes to the stream just for the cameras. Who knows? Maybe.
Look who it is, Don.
Robert, what's up?
Nope.
Whoa, what did Robert say? Robert, man.
No.
Oh God. Jesus. Just pissing me off. Yeah, GJ right now, it's very important to wait for a closure on the 30-minute time frame. Not the 15. The 15 is choppy. 30-minute closure is what you want. I think this is one of those questions that I ask people when people ask, how do you know to wait for 30 or 15-minute closure, right? This is one of those times where I wait for a 30, because if you're looking at a 15-minute time frame, we have came up so many times and came back, whereas the 30-minute time frame has never closed above the range before. So damn, Robert got booted very quick. What do you think of this chart? Hey, Perry, wanna come out here? I got you. Here we go. Many rejection wicks, buys above only with closure. Yes. Already took one trade, hit break even, closed 50% 8 pips because of no top wick on a 15-minute time frame. Oh yeah, that trade from earlier. Yep. Yeah. You managed that trade pretty well. You closed because it had no top wick. You closed half at 8 pips instead of closing half at 10. That's pretty good. Yep. I'm in the same boat with you, man. What lot size do you use? If you check my Instagram story from April all the way down to, you know, October, it shows my lot size and what I've been using. Yes, family friendly streams. Bro needs some sun. Who else can I play? I want to play Drake, but man, some songs are just doesn't work. Have you seen the show Invincible? Glitch and Bieber? Some songs too slow for me. Your promo code for a pre-market field is not working? Why not? Control FX? It should be working. What's the website? Should be working. Go pre-market fuel. Let's see. Shop now. Am I on a website? I haven't seen this website. I am. Oh look. Nice, for the first ones. Add a cart. Go to your cards. Apply coupon. Control FX. Yeah, it works. Control FX. No spaces. No caps. Apply coupon. And you save 13 bucks on pre-market fuel. Or no, sorry, less. I got 3. You save 4 bucks on one. 15%. I was gonna say, whoa, that's a lot. That's half. That's 50% off. Do you think that this strategy would help someone pass FTMO? Why is everyone asking that question? Like, do we think this strategy would pass FTMO? I think any strategy would pass FTMO. Like,
they're asking because I think for FTMO you have to hold the trade for a certain amount of time, and we're in and out of the trade.
You can pass any funding with any strategy that's profitable, as long as you're risking 1% per trade.
You know what I think they asked? You know what I think they asked? Because whatever they're doing right now, they're like
not working.
Not that's not working, but it's like more of a, you know, their plan is more of to flip their account, whereas our plan is more to just slowly grow, and that's what FTMO is: to slowly grow your account within a month or so. And that's a price. What
is there a time limit per trade? Like, don't you have to hold the trade for like at least 10 or 15 minutes on FTMO?
I don't know. Do we? I don't think so.
But if that's like the case and we're out of a trade within 10 minutes, it probably won't count towards their challenge.
That's right. I don't really like challenges too. Too many restrictions, right?
Yep.
But yeah, you probably could pass it.
It makes you change the way you trade just to pass the challenge.
Ooh, GG pushing down here on a 4-hour time frame. If we can come down today and break that 4-hour low, the previous 4-hour low as the starter plate coming down, with the day candle breaking the lows at the same given time, I believe we can drop down pretty heavily towards 15322 here, which would make my bias bearish for a day if that were to break. That'd be perfect. There's a lot of rules. Yeah. Yo, Elephant Gang, I'm back. What's up, Elephant Gang? That's elephant joke. There's no minimum. Yeah, there's no minimum time, Wickstone. Yeah, I think that's pretty stupid if they had a time limit.
I think one of the funding programs does that. I read that somewhere. But if not, then yeah, any strategy that's profitable, we should be able to pass it.
I think that's a good question. If he trades 10 lots, that's a lot of money, right? Well, for some people, 10 lots, 10 pips is not a lot of money. $1,000. For some people, it is, right? It doesn't make you a better trader if you have a bigger account, though. None of them, to be honest, it's just you show up our risk management account growth. I don't know, man. I would never probably do FTMO or any sort of funding challenge or anything. Marcos, you said you passed it?
Yeah.
So what was the downfall of it? Or what was the downfall? Like, what was the
the thing about FTMO is different than some of the funding programs that exist now. Like FTMO, the progression scale, like the way they do payouts, it's all really slow compared to the ones that are out now, or you're just your own capital, which is why you see a lot of people, like especially in our Discord, a lot of people aren't doing FTMO. They do like different funding. So that's kind of, I don't know the specifics, so I don't want to say anything wrong, but when I did it, like it was like a 50K account, but it took like 3 months to keep going, and I was like, why would I do that when I could just have my own with 100% profit, you know?
Yeah.
Because you only get I think it's like 70%. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know there's someone in this Zoom that's funded, Andrea, or he dipped again. This guy, this fucking guy. But yeah.
So when you passed, what happened? Like, so you get the account and you got like that 50K account, whatever you went for, and you get the trade that account, I guess. And
yeah.
You get like 4%, whatever, at the end of the month.
Yo, Locke, you should unmute. He just got his funding.
He got it twice.
Yeah, he's funded and trading live funded. So maybe Locke, if you want to unmute, like if you can, and talk about it, because your current, he's understanding like right now. It's 70-30. Yeah, it is.
Locke doesn't unmute for some reason. He does it sometimes. By the way, Locke introduced me to FX, if you guys didn't know.
No way.
He's like, yeah, he introduced me to FX.
That's sick.
Ask him. Pretty crazy. It's been a long 3 years.
High five, Locke.
Now
you
we're
were the
here.
seed. You were the seed of all this.
Seed. He's technically my mentor.
He said, "I'm not unmuting, bitch."
Good for you, Locke. Tell what you feel.
Be your own person.
That's hilarious.
Fuck, man. I got aired.
Yeah, I don't know, chat. I think, man, my number one tip is just trade your own account. Even if it's not a lot of money, like you're not trying to change your life on one account. That's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. You can't change your life within one account. It takes a lot of time, man. if you want money so quick, go work McDonald's or something. Go work at a job, part-time job, work a couple hours, and you know you get paid that way. But you don't gotta force, you know, account to change your life. I mean, you can if you get really lucky, but you know, the faster you make it, the faster you lose it. Trust me, I've been there. Trust me. Trust me.
4-hour celery play coming down on GJ.
Yes, I was looking at that.
Breaks daily lows.
Yeah.
At that point, your bias would flip.
Daily lows. Started playing on daily, plus they started playing on 4-hour time frame as well. Ooh.
It's really just this range that it's stuck in. One way or
Watch
the
the
other.
weekly flip bearish because I have no bond on wick. Tomorrow's the last day. I doubt it.
Bro, how many pips is that? For one day, 200 pips. It's happened before.
Yeah.
There's a orange folder GBP news today at noon. Or GBP, that's a speech. USD red folder tomorrow. I mean, it could easily happen.
IRA is going up McDonald's US. How much is it? Here in Canada, we get paid like 14, 15. I think it's 15 now. 15 or 16 an hour.
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Minimum.
Yeah, high schoolers balling out, huh?
Yeah. Buying off Supreme and shit.
Yeah.
In high school. When I was working, I was making like 9, 10 an hour at my grocery store. That was the minimum.
I made 11. I think my last year was 13 before I went to college.
The way McDonald's is going, they're not going to have any employees. You're just going to walk in and put your order in on the machine. They're going to have one cook in the back. And that's it.
They don't even make their money off food. I don't know if you guys know that. It's all off real estate. It's good. Good research if you wanna learn about McDonald's.
The franchisee owners, they make money.
Yeah, and then the actual McDonald's corporation, they just lease off their real estate to the franchisers, and that's how they make money. It's a real estate company. Did you say what is McDonald's?
Oh, McDonald's is basically
fast food
the
restaurant.
most popular fast food restaurant. If you know what McDonald's is, you're living under a rock or something.
Just trolling.
Oh, who? Oh, Andre asked it. Yeah, I know you're trolling. 100%.
Oh, Martin's is McDonald's.
Yes, the M like McDonald's. You guys want the M like McDonald's?
Touch me.
I'm gonna lose it.
I think I'm about to hop off. Shit is scuffed.
Wait till 9:30 with us. 8 minutes left.
8 minutes?
Yeah.
Nothing's gonna.
Hold on. Wait. Yeah, NYSC open at 9:30. You got time, Andre. You got. The chat loves you. Chat, what do you guys want? You guys want Andre to stay or leave?
At 9:30, they're gonna be like,
this guy.
Stay till time. Just stay till time.
Yeah.
You might as well stay till, you know.
Skip your client. I actually got a bunch of clients today.
Yeah, Thursday's a crazy day for you, right?
I got 10:30. I got Don after. Got my boy Dave after. I got Dave's parents after that. Got this lady named Ann after that. Look at. Leave.
No,
all right.
I said stay, my buddy.
All right.
Oh, Samurai said bye with the emoji.
Okay,
shit.
Samurai. Okay. We see how you feel.
Hey, wait, for real though, I think tomorrow might be a decent day. How's we gonna close there? I mean, if today daily we can close bullish on gold here today, and then bearish on daily with GJ, might be a decent day tomorrow. Then after week, there's some buys tomorrow going up through gold. Leave up tomorrow Friday. Tomorrow's the last day of the week, isn't it? Oh, I forgot. I'm hanging out with my boy today. Not bad.
Your boy.
Yeah.
The boy.
I love sir. Oh man. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till 9:30, guys. See how we close here. But if nothing happens, obviously gonna call it a day and chalk it.
I can feel my face when I'm with you.
I love it. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it.
Marcos, you know what he's talking about.
Me.
Cocaine.
Well,
Oh,
you
that is, sir.
gotta say it, you know. You gotta say it.
Sir, I don't do drugs.
What? We don't know what that is.
Yeah, you don't know what that is. Where you from, Don? I'm from Toronto, Canada. Whose mic is that? Toronto, Canada. Ontario.
6.
15 minutes starter play, still be on GJ. Oh, good eye. It's not bad. But I was actually bullish today on GJ until we actually closed below 153,606. That's why I was like, I'm very hesitant about sells in this range here until we actually break below. But if you're really anticipating sells, I'll see if they break the lows. Yeah, you can come down towards here. Yeah, it's only a 5-pip range going down. It's not that great as well. What road and house number? Isn't lockdown there? Yeah, we've been on lockdown since November. We were freed up for a good 2 weeks in March, I think, or February, and then we went right back into lockdown because they opened up. They're like, oh yeah, cases going down, let's open up. They opened up, cases went up, let's close back down. Like, what do you expect, you know? But hey, can't do anything. I'm blessed to be in Canada. I'm not gonna move or anything. What do you think the best prop firm is? I don't know much about prop firms. I don't know too many. I wouldn't really, again, I wouldn't suggest prop firms, but that's just me. So you're home 24/7? No, I go out. Like, we can go out to the park, walk around. Like, you can go to your friend's house, like, without getting caught, I guess. But like, it's only if your neighbor snitches on you and calls the cops. Like, oh yeah, this guy is here. This guy's not supposed to be at that house. Like, unless that happens, you should be fine. But yeah, if you go to the grocery store, like, things like non-essential items are locked. Like, you can't purchase them. If you want to purchase a mop at a grocery store, you can't purchase a mop.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you won't purchase food and essential items. Like, it's weird. You can't get like a spatula. It's not essentials. You know, it's for cooking. It's weird.
Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon's your savior. Or you can pick up. You can actually pick up, I think. I don't know. How's your shit pants? You love on this? No, you can't. You can't. Two minutes left, Andre. You will be dismissed soon. You will be dismissed, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm joking. I'm so sorry.
Cringe. No, you're good, bro. So the daily has 7 hours on gold.
Yep. What are you thinking?
I think it's gonna create a support here and push up tomorrow.
Yes. To retest the highs, right? Like this tomorrow? Yeah.
Yeah. Unless we start breaking structure like 4-hour lows, I don't think I'll touch gold sells today. And I really don't want to take gold buys unless it's above 1822.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm actually kind of happy because the weekly is going to be bullish. Because I was bullish for the weekly, bearish for a day only today. But with that being said, now respecting that support, like I just said, we have a high chance to continue out tomorrow. So tomorrow might be a decent day. I just hope we close like strong bullish at least. I don't want to get a doji bearish candle because then tomorrow might be chalked.
Yeah.
Like this would be perfect for us, or a little higher, like maybe up here. Tomorrow we should pop up.
I'm surprised those sells didn't continue on, man.
Me too. Me too. But it's fine. Is GJ popping up here? No, it's not. Oh.
Wix9, you had an entry with news, right? What ended up happening to that? Forgot.
I closed it at 3 pips profit because if you go back, it like if you go to the 30, it closed again with no top wick. For a second time when it closed with no top wick, I just closed. Not on the 30 on the 15. So I got out with 3 pips.
Yeah.
Don, can we go on the 15?
Yeah. On GJ?
Yeah, you see how the boy created a second retested the high over there, and the second time they retested it closed with no top foot. Right here.
Well, right there. Yep. Yeah.
And I had an entry right there.
Oh, you look a price push up. NYSE open here. 30-minute starter play maybe. I think I want a closure. I really want a closure. I don't think I'm gonna enter any impulsive buys here. Obviously that's gonna be at 10 a.m. Fuck, I don't know, man.
I think it's too late of them. I think this might be an off-stream move.
This will probably be an off-stream move, potentially. I don't know. It's not. Oh, we've got a break. Let's see what happens.
Give it to me, baby.
Can't enter here.
No, I want a closure on a 30. 15 looks clean though. If you came up, fill that range, retesting the highs here on the 15. If you look from this perspective, it's just like doing this. I also have support.
Those 4-hour buys, only a 20 pip stop for a 60 pip target. The ones that you were talking about for the swing back up.
Oh yeah, bond wick is being created on GJ too.
That's only a 20 pip stop on the opening of the candle. If you use current candle, it's what, 11 for 55.
Oh yeah.
I know you've taken this trade before. That's why I'm saying it.
On
You've taken a 4-hour, yeah, and you had stops to break even and held full.
Yes. Who knows? We might just get a late push. Who knows? We got the lower wick being created on the 4 right now. Like, it's looking pretty solid. If you break 30-minute highs here, just need a closure for me to really enter off of at this point. Did we break the highs? We did. Wow. Did I do this?
4-hour looks clean as shit to go off.
Yeah, the 4-hour does look clean, which is why I was like, what held me out on the entry on the 4-hour opening after it flipped. I don't know.
Oh, you know who I can play? I can play Paul Smoke.
Daily never broke the lows, right? Yeah,
No. Still rejecting.
The 15-minute closure is not even good enough for me now because of all those
rejections. Yeah.
All those rejections.
Unless you close above it, but the range is too chalked after.
Yeah, but then the range is, yeah. If it closes above, it'll probably already tap the target with a wick, and then. I mean, that's still not bad, but I think the 30-minute is the bread and butter trade. Oh, my tummy's growling.
Me too. I didn't eat today. Yeah, I mean, yeah, double caffeine, so your stomach definitely needs food. What you know about love?
Shiba coin to the moon. Don't do it to us, GJ. I know you're gonna, but I'm just saying, don't do it.
Done. When did you start streaming? An hour ago. The stream ended, so I had to restart it. So that's why it shows an hour. Wait, so it's been an hour? I started been streaming since like 7:20. It's been 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. I don't know. Stream's being weird.
I'm gonna hop off here.
Really?
I gotta get my mom a birthday gift, and I gotta go to the gym. Got a lot to do.
All right. I want to stay on stream, but I think it's gonna be a very late move.
This might be I'll probably take this move. I'll definitely take this move if it 30-minute closes like as is, kind of.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm
surprised that the 9:30 volume didn't do anything really.
Well, it moved, right? It moved like good so far. 10 bips, but it just started. NYC.
GJ's just been letting us down lately.
Nah, it's clean this week, this month. Oh, pushing up here. 4 hours flipping bullets at the same given time.
4-hour break just broke highs again.
Here we go. It's like, don't leave, Marcos. I can show you what I got.
My dog's yelling at me, telling me to take her out.
Oh, wow. Chabala? Ooh, Chabala. Chabala. Yeah, I start stream every day at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, but today the stream ended like I think around 7 a.m. because my Wi-Fi turned off, and then I restarted it. She's a runner? Yeah. Yeah, because look at the 4-hour time frame. It makes sense. Mid bottom wick then flipped with the NYC open. We should pop up here at least towards like 154, 156 here. Worst case, you miss these buys here, and you may get more buys as we close above this range right here, going up. Like, that's not bad as well. Towards 154, 309. Where's that range? It's not bad. Are you talking about taxes? What are you guys talking about? My Wi-Fi turned off? Nah, my Wi-Fi got turned off. Pushing DR. Pushing DR. Down to consider to wake up the body close as the higher low point of a swing high low. Not really sure on the swing high lows, but if you get a closure like this, I would then expect this to be a low. That we should respect these lows for price to continue up towards this TP up here. I'll expect something like this to happen, but not necessarily swing high low or a low high swing, or you know, sideways swing, whatever it is. Someone said on gold buys. Oh, gold's pushing up. We get some volume here, guys. I don't know if you guys want to leave yet. I don't know. Might break above. I don't know if you want to leave, Marcos. GJ's pushing. Gold's pushing. Oof.
Oh, wait a little.
Yes, sir. There's it. There it is. Yep. Guys, if we can break this resistance, I'm looking for buys above 1824 here.
Got 22 minutes left on this 30 though.
Yeah.
I still like this closure. Even this, I'll take it.
Yeah.
Because the runner targets are massive.
Andre, check out gold. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, you might get a move potentially. Looks clean.
1822 closure. We just had the maintenance guy. We're getting
Sofa?
No, that comes today at 3 o'clock. So hyped. We're getting a new dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
New dishwasher. Ours
Oh
is-
yeah. Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
There's a shit in the bed.
You use dishwashers? You can just wash manually?
Fuck no.
Wow. My parents hate dishwashers.
Why?
I don't know. They grew up washing dishes, so it's like that's what they're used to that. Like, I don't know. Are dishwashers that good? Like they clean fully?
Yeah. I mean, you got to rinse the plate once or twice, but
Oh my god, is that a cat? Yeah, I love cats too. Show the cat.
that's Carlitos.
If it's really stuck on stuff, yeah, you might have to soak the pan or rub it beforehand. But yeah, dishwashers are the heat.
Your cat never grows, does he?
Who, Carlitos? No, he
Yeah.
stays. He's small. He's a
Yeah,
little guy.
yes, it's grown. My cat's grown past that. He's only 2 years old.
All my homies use their hands to wash dishes. You know what? That's all right. I'll just push a button, clean all my dishes overnight while I'm sleeping.
If you guys got on the starter play buy there, you guys would hit break even. I think that's 7 pips minimum. 100% break even.
Oh, GJ came up as well.
Yeah. If you had closure here, looking spicy. Oh, juicy, fruity.
Nothing like a late stream on a day where I need things to do things. Please reward me, GJ. For the love of God.
It's been 2 days. It's been a while. I mean, we took a trade today though. We took a buy today, right? Break even though.
Yeah, break even. I mean, break even's a win. I put that in my wins folder every time.
Yeah, it's a win.
I put it in my break evens folder.
You have a break evens folder?
Yeah. Hey.
Hey.
Yellow.
This time for Don.
Is it too loud? Yellow.
What do you
15's
think
probably not gonna
about,
close above next 3 minutes.
GJ? What do you
that
think about
Marcos.
this? That's cool. What do you think about this GJ 15 minute? If it closes as is, breaks the highs after a big, nice bottom wick to touch support again on the 15.
You mean like a 15-minute bearish candle closure?
Yeah, you're on the 30 though.
Oh, okay. I'm going to 15. Yes.
Closes as is, makes a bottom wick, breaks those highs. Current candle stops. That's like the only way you catch the move here. If we're waiting for 30.
Or if you're anticipating volume to come in here, you can just take a buy as you close above this range here. Because now we have volume, I guess.
The top wick for once.
Let the price continue up here towards the range.
You're not worried about price failing on the 15 a couple times there, Don?
Oh no, I'm not entering this. I'm waiting for 30. That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, it's not it's more of an anticipation if you're enter or off those. I was trying to refer to Marcos.
Samurai, why'd you just say you love light-skinned women?
Bro, unprovoked.
Where'd that come from, bro?
I feel you, bro. Sometimes you just be thinking.
The emoji was a dance.
Oh, okay.
He just started thinking about J-Lo.
Oh man, RP Prop Smoke, man. So much potential. Show you little baddie. Show you little baddie. That's how you sound.
Middle school dance be like.
The song is so graphic, man. Shit, I change it, man. Shit, not good for YouTube.
Better than Twitch. Twitch would ban you by now without the amount of strikes you would have had.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Twitch would have kicked you out.
How would they pick up so easily? It's like they scan. Like how does it work?
Twitch has way more moderators than YouTube.
Oh,
YouTube doesn't have like real mods or admins for the streamers. You know, they're just looking for copyright strikes. I feel like on videos.
That's all they care about. Yeah.
They will eventually. Oh my God, GJ.
How did 15 close? Oh, they didn't close above. We have a minute left. Wow.
Goodbye.
Gold here, 15 minutes for a closure as well. Yeah, wow. Oh no, is my close above on GJ? You might as well wait till 10 at this point, right? Wait for our last 15-minute candle close.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for the 10 o'clock closure at this point. Yeah, good call. Yeah. And
I dragged it. I'm gonna market her.
10:15.
I'm gonna market her.
Yeah, shit.
I'll play some Andre's music.
Hey. You say it's because this is old?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
It's like 15 years old.
It's not that old.
Yeah, definitely like 15. So.
Have you ever been a scalper or did you swing day trade? I've been a swinger when I first started. Oh man, what's going on in chat, guys?
Whoa.
It's a long day today, chat. It's a very long day today. Let's get into that time. I know you guys are, you know, big excited for these moves to come here. But yeah, I guess settle down a little bit, you know. Or I get taken off YouTube. Oh, okay. You guys are
Oh my god. You guys are scuffed and chalked and everything today.
Chat, what's going on with you guys today? You guys just wake up like, you know, is it because that video that popped up earlier or what? Like, I typed in, you know, the Canada thing.
The naked people?
No, fucking, yeah. Like, is it because I searched that? I typed, I misspelled something and popped up? And this chat is wild.
Freaky deaky.
We love Mars. The chat reflects the streamer. No, it doesn't.
Yes, Chalk, you're right, it does.
The chat is you guys. I'm the streamer. Call it day if you're trying. Yo, guys, by the way, go follow my Twitter account, please. Instagram, Twitter, socials. Gonna be tweeting a lot more trading related stuff on Twitter. Some pop up right here. The next slide over at Telegram, I think. Right there. Don VVO on Twitter. Follow right now. I'm gonna show you guys out.
I love how you guys premiered the stay till 9:30 and it's damn near 10 o'clock.
I'm a good marketer, right?
So fucking chalked. So chalked. What time is it? 9:47.
Ooh, Franco XRP.
Have to get off at 10.
Yeah. You will. Don't worry. You will. I'm getting off at 10 too if you don't close above. But if we're getting close above, I'm entering position at 10.
I always do say I can't be late, and then I'm always like texting my client like I'm on the way. I'll be there soon.
GJ's moving. Hold on.
Yeah. I love chat, right? Love you guys. Love money.
I feel like we have no one else. This is the chat. There's nowhere a chat like our chat. Franco XRP, what's up? Nat, what up? If you close above, are you taking buys on the high that count breaks? No, I'm gonna execute on buys once you actually close and after you create the lower wick. So something like this potentially. Like if you flip, that's my bias going up to fill the range. Cause I only enter on a break of the highs whenever in some certain situations only. In this situation though, it's not really the case. Frank XP, did you see what happened about Bitcoin and Tesla? You see what he said at the end? He said how I can go on Twitter here. Wait a second while I log in. I don't know my password.
Oh shoot, Mars on the screen.
Oh shoot.
Mars Booker.
I know how to get Andreas Day.
Hey.
I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. The bathroom. The washroom. I'll be back in like a minute.
Hey. Looks like you had any other trades besides that one you mentioned, or no?
No, if we get a close, I'll get another trade. But I don't think we will get a close because if we're expecting a small pullback tomorrow to drive up, I think this has got to stay in range for the move.
Right.
So I'm pretty sure we're not going to get it. We'll see what happens. Why did you leave this on gold?
10 minutes left on this GJ30. Peace out, Samurai. 10 minutes left.
Doesn't look like we're gonna get it.
We're gonna get it. I'm gonna push it.
We're not gonna get it.
We need some market maker.
I'll be happy if we don't get it. Tomorrow's gonna be a hot day.
I think the move's happening today at some point.
Really?
Why do you say that?
Because it's been ranging for too long. I just think it's gonna happen. We have GBP news at 12 as well, guys. Orange folder. My dog is yelling at me.
There's Samurai. Good easy. No. So don't stand the whole time at the desk? Yeah, it was. It's a stand desk and a sit down desk. I should actually sit. Well, that's getting tired. I'll stand for in a trade, but
Coming up here. 15 flip made bottom wick. It wants it. It wants it.
Okay.
Please.
I think I see some future chat love going on right now.
Might have to go to the 1 minute on GJ.
Jonathan, you gonna slide in the DMs or what?
oh man, what's going on?
Okay, some chat love.
Oh man, speaking of chat love, I was looking at you know Wingstop thread on Twitter. Why do you hear my echo?
No, I didn't.
Oh, there's some weird stuff going on with Wingstop.
Oh, on Twitter.
Yeah. You saw that thread? That's pretty funny.
Yeah, that social media manager's on one.
Is that even allowed?
GJ. GJ. You
Okay. We have 7 minutes left, guys. If you guys are impatient, don't worry. I got you guys.
Okay, GJ. Okay.
Marcos, talk to it nicely.
It's okay to be impatient.
Come on, GJ. You know you want it, GJ. What's up, GJ?
Yeah.
God, stop.
GJ's gonna stand up right up.
Talk to me nice, GJ. What's up? How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Yo, I wanna watch I wanna watch
just like that.
You guys ever watch Scarface?
Yeah.
Bro.
Everyone's seen Scarface.
I did it, man. Am I like
They
chalk?
filmed it down the block.
Yeah, but you're like 21 from Canada.
Oh yeah,
I
you're
expect
right.
you.
Yeah.
Oh, GJ, just like that. Yes, sir.
Are you waiting for a closure, Marcos?
Of course.
Me too. Andre might still till 10:15. Looking at this. Ooh.
Andre's gonna go on
no
the
way,
5 minute.
okay.
Andre's gonna get one.
Andre already canceled his clients for today.
I can't wait. I'm so lucky that all my clients are older and they don't really like fuck with the computer. Because if they did and they watched the stream, they'd just be like, "Yo,
Bro, don't even tell me. GJ's gonna. Oh my God, it's gonna hit the target. No, I was kidding.
You spoke
I was
too
kidding,
nicely.
GJ.
You were too nice.
I take my words back.
man."
Don't do it.
That,
Retrace. Come on, just a little bit.
That entry you were talking about before, Don, just gave you 10 pips in the 15-minute.
Which entry?
Entry at 153. Yeah.
But I didn't close above. That's the thing. I didn't even close above that range here.
Now we need a little retracement.
But that 4 hour, look at it pop up, right? After creating a lower wick. Very
No. I'm gonna cry.
This is great.
I'm gonna cry.
Tomorrow's gonna be months today.
30-minute wick fill. Gold is popping up too.
We need a fat retracement here. 5 minute. We need this 5 minutes to close with no top wick and then retrace on GJ. There we go.
Yes.
If
you can close something like this, how big are stops? Like this would be perfect for us for bias.
15 pip stop. Partials at 10 or hold runner.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, I was actually thinking of running runners since the 4 hours is so clean to pop up towards the 154 or 300 mark. 309 potential.
This is a close half trade for me.
Worst case, we close above this range, 153, and we get that range instead. It's not bad.
The worst thing that could happen is it closes and then just flies up, no top wick, no entries on either, and we just die in this pain and suffering. Oh, this 1 hour is about to close too.
Yeah, it is. It's 10 a.m. Yeah, you're right.
1 hour stops. 23, 25 pips.
There, Jonathan. Take it easy. Peace. Peace and love. Peace and love.
He's gonna tap it, man. That's such an L.
You got 2 wins today. Jonathan going crazy. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We told you now if you have some builders there, we can push the price at least 20 pips. Daily dose of Cold War. I'm about to give. Okay.
Boycott GJ, bro. I boycott gold. I can't boycott GJ too. I'm just gonna be trading nothing. I'll start trading Doge.
The chat, if there's any counselors in the chat, reach out to Marcos after this.
Oh, gold's pushing up. That 15-minute wick fill pushing up. 3 minutes left for a closure. Oof. If the 1 hour can close above 1822, I know Andre for sure is not leaving. For sure. Look at that. That's the first 1 hour closure above that range. We should be popping up. 1827. Oh shit.
I swear to God, Don has like a shared screen on my screen. He sees what time frame I'm on the hourly right now, looking, and he says it like it's safe.
Oh, GJ might retrace here. We might get an entry, guys.
A little more, just a little more.
I'm gonna stay out of GJ.
Okay, that's fire. That's fair enough. Gold pushing. Gold breaking those highs. I need more songs like this. It's good vibes. I don't know what this genre is called though. This type of music. Nah. No. This is my song. It sounds good vibes, man. Don't think you force a trade so that you don't have to have a losing week? No. I've been streaming till 10 a.m. pretty much the whole entire week. Like, even if I didn't stream, I'll take an off trade stream. Like, I had 1 trade today. However, if I took 2 trades today, this would be more of a forced trade. But this is not. This is simply waiting for a price to continue up. With my original bias for a day, right? My bias was look, days rejecting that support. It's always been my bias for a day. Bullish. Electric pop. Electro pop. Really? Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the vibes.
It's all for real. You're telling me just how I feel.
FIFA songs, yeah.
What do you think about this this GJ closure?
30 seconds. You're done. Put on some love song, Jonathan. You got it in the bag, bro. You already got it in the bag. just you know, you got this. Dubs in the chat for Jonathan.
Dubs in the chat for Jonathan. Oh my god.
What's the name of the song? Midnight City. Did you go close above? No, right?
No.
4 seconds? Yeah, it's not. Yeah. Disappointed.
Look at that GJ too. Nice nipple lick.
It's the reason why sometimes I like to be off trade stream is because I know it's gonna be a late move. Like you need like a bunch of closures like at 10-15 now. But
you keep saying off trade stream. You mean off stream trade? Off
stream trade, yeah. Andre, so you're dipping? You got a client right now, don't you?
Yes, sir. Take care, everybody.
One more 15-minute candle.
I'll definitely be late.
All right, man.
I'll talk to you guys soon. Later. Don, I'll see you at noon. Peace, guys.
Bella.
Oh, I'm gonna be sick.
I don't know what I'm staying here for now. I think maybe another 15-minute candle.
I'm off, but I don't even know what I'm waiting for on GJ anymore. Close above.
Yeah, above 153,990.
Yeah,
that range.
My 15-minute support is now at 963.
I honestly think that's a lot cleaner though if you get a closure above here, because that's like in the range. That's like a 30-pip range going up. What do you guys think? Should we stay? Honestly,
stop to break even at 155.09. Some minor support, or minor resistance, and then there's another. Yeah, it's a decent range.
Yeah.
You got another 30 minutes till this.
Yeah, I probably just call it a solo channel if anything.
It's a 15. I could see it on the 15.
Yeah, 15. I can see it on 15 too. Yep, 15. 15 hasn't closed above that range yet. Should we stay for another 15?
I know what's gonna happen. If you stay for another 15, you're gonna end up staying for 30.
Yeah, because I'm doing a trade, another 11 hits, and it's like shit. Well.
Oh well, gotta do what you gotta do.
I mean,
there's the 15 bottom wick.
Yep.
It's gonna happen.
Check the 5 minute. 5 minutes, the same exact thing as the 15.
Yeah, guys, the only thing I'm waiting for here is just this. I need a closure above in this next 15-minute candle. Once you see that closure,
candle.
Those are my buys. Yep, this might be it. Push up. It's a lot cleaner in this range, so I'm gonna say.
So much pain. I just don't want to miss this 4-hour mirror all the way back up, you know?
Yeah.
That's like, you need that. That's the move.
Oh, GA is dropping.
I'll stay as long as you stay.
I want to show the 15 closes. If the 15 closes below, I'm just gonna call it because I don't want to stay to 10:30. You know, I do, but I don't. It's actually exhausting streaming too, talking at the same time, being the host. It gets a little tiring. That's why I got myself some pre-market fuel, exclamation point fuel in the chat. But gold's moving. Same thing with gold. I think for gold, you need closures way above for cleaner buys. Oh, GJ might just. minutes ain't too long anymore. You have news at 10 a.m. right? USD. Oh, it's a speech. Yeah. Let go. I said so. So how can you post stuff on this right here? This thread here, the Forex Factor news thread. Just post whatever, because these are all posts around people, right?
I'm not even sure.
Let me join your Zoom. Yeah, anyone can join a Zoom. You just gotta be enrolled to the course. Like anyone in a Zoom call has the ability to well, yeah, hop on, turn camera on, hop on the Zoom side. It's right here, controlfx.com. Because every morning when I send the links out, I send the links out to my Discord channel, to members. Like this is a New York session chat. This is like the chat for our course members. Andre's still on. You know how I know? Because he's online on Discord. He's watching this heavily right now. Oh, HJ. 9 minutes. HJ breaking above.
Like, yeah, keep going. You're doing these girls real nice, staring at GJ. But he says he does them in person, so I don't know how he's looking at the charts.
He's driving. Is GJ breaking above? We need a closure above. It's different from just breaking, right? Wow, stream still going? Yeah, it's a good day today. Good vibes.
And it's looking clean.
Yeah, it is looking clean. Good stops too. Around average of, if that's where it closed, 7 to 8 pip stop. Not too shabby, in it, mate.
In it, mate.
In it, mate.
This is that. Let's see.
Watch his reject. If he closed bearish, 100% calling it a day, because then, I mean, maybe 15-minute starter play, but I don't know, man. It's chalked after that. It wouldn't be bad though, 15-minute starter play. Wire to my PayPal. How are you guys enjoying the stream so far today though? You guys like it? Let's enjoy the vibes today. The vibes are there today, I believe.
Vibes are there, break even. I mean, all was good today.
Yeah.
A little frustrating on GJ, but can't do anything about that.
What did our part today?
Vibes and value.
Vibes. Best stream ever. A lot of education. You guys learned stuff today? I think we talked about a lot of things today. A lot. I got a lot of charts today too. Pretty good charts for most people. Good luck 10% GG. Nice. How much loss should I go for though? That depends on how much you want to risk. That's up to you. I've learned about contract 3. Yeah, there's nothing there, man. Don't stream. You guys have a lot of energy than there's of watch. Maybe it's just the music. Music helps a lot too. But I don't know. I think it's all about the vibes. I've watched other people's streams before too. It's just, I don't know. It's kind of not for me. I mean, it's very informative, very educational. But you gotta have a mix of both, I feel like, right? You can just be the whole stream just be like dead bird stream, right? You don't want that. As long as it's got value from the stream today, that's all that matters. Like even on that trade that we took today, you guys were alert from it. You guys were alert why we moved our stops to break even in that situation on the 15-0 top wick. Torontonian. Which Toronto you're from? I'm from like the west end of Toronto. West end. That's a resistance on 4 hour, isn't it? No. I think I'm talking about gold 4 hour. Yeah, for gold 4 hour resistance, yeah. But GJ, no. GJ looks like it's breaking above. GJ looks like it's gonna continue up here towards the 154 300 mark. We just need a closure. That's all we need. 5 minutes left. Send BTC here. Oh man. Fires were bustin'. Culture exchange over. If you guys enjoyed the content though, for real, go follow our Instagram page. I think we're on our way to 3K followers on Instagram. That's pretty cool. It's been 1 year in the makings. Go follow right now, guys. Appreciate you following. Johnny, Will. More followers. Space Camp, what up?
Bro,
you guys are quick.
I gave you all those hashtags and you didn't use them. And now you're down bad on that reel. What's up?
Yo, I messed up my TikTok on Dogecoin.
Hashtag bullish, hashtag bearish. Man, if you don't.
I forgot to put the music. Oh, GJ. Wow. Oh, shoot. We might actually close above.
Please, God.
We might be here till 10:30.
5 minute salary play about to happen.
Oh, no. GJ, just 3 minutes.
Just relax. Just relax. Talk to me nice. Relax.
Uh-oh.
There's a like, it could close higher and it'd still be good. It's still 1-to-1, even if it closes up at like 0.50.
Yeah, in this range here. Because your target's like up here.
I just want it to close above at this point. Those all-time high targets too.
Well, what we close like right here at 154.093.
Don't say that. I need 0.5 at the most.
This is a perfect closure right here.
I want it to close in the middle of that candle to the left. 0.5, 0.6 area. That'd be nice. I have to starting the streams at 7:30, huh?
Start at 9.
I'm gonna start sleeping in.
You wanna buy? No or not? I'm waiting for a closure here on this 15-minute candle above the range. Then I execute buys.
The day you sleep in is gonna be 100 pip on it.
I know, huh? There's 5 minute salary play. I wouldn't be surprised if it's Ciao Bella.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it's like towards 154 here before this last minute here and a half of this closure.
That's the perfect. This is the perfect area to close to because we get 5 pip stops to break even.
Oh yeah,
at the top of that
towards that resistance there. Yeah, that'll be a break even. Yeah.
So we need a little wick, a nice little wick, and then closure, and then we're good. We got a minute and a half. If you stayed this long in the stream and we get this trade, you deserve it.
Oh, what if it stops?
Stop loss or break even?
Stop loss.
Then it's fine. I'll just go to the gym and hit my triceps so hard that I can't breathe. This is a trade you have to take. You can't, if you don't take a trade for us, that's, you know, the move, then you won't take it in the future. So if you take a loss, sometimes it happens, you know?
Yep.
Do it for yourself.
It's good long-term, high probability trading.
Yep, this is a trade we took. I think we got stopped on this trade 2 days ago. The same scenario.
It just turned around and killed us.
Yep.
Sometimes it happens. Happens again, it happens again. That's what happens when you go on a month-long win streak.
I think they will flip and push.
Disclosure on the 30 though.
Yo, Franco, I've been talking about this day count flipping all day today too. I said how we're gonna flip bullish here, and because the day's still bullish, we never broke the lows, broke back into that range, fill it. Once you close here, we should be pushing up towards the top of the range, which would then make it flip and potentially push up for the rest of the day. So
yeah,
this is the whole plan, the whole day.
It's at a minor 30-minute resistance right now, so I'll probably wait for it to break the highs.
Lower wick, yeah. Yep. Perfect. I got in a buy here, guys. Stops are gonna be the first kind of low here for 7 or 8 pips, and TP is gonna be up here for 16 pips here, going up to fill the range. This is the bottom in. As long as you respect these lows here, you should be valid for price to drive up here. Stops are not bad too. It's only 8 pips. So let's see. Managing risk wise though, I think once you pop up towards this resistance here at 154092, that'll be a risk-free trade at 8 pips in profit, and also at a minor resistance level, anticipating price to drive up. Let's see what happens here. Oh, breaking the highs. Is it gonna be runner to the track star? Maybe. I might leave a runner. Let's see. Marcos, are you getting in on a break of the highs, or just get in already?
Break of the highs.
Oh wow, came very close there.
Yes, it has not activated yet for me.
Came very. You have a buy stop or manually entering?
Buy stop.
Yeah, I think once you break those highs, it should be Chabella.
Only because of that little resistance to the left. If you look at like a little bit far back to the left, not that far back, but yesterday's 15-30 minute resistance, it kind of tapped it.
What is that runner? It's a 3rd pit runner. Maybe I might have today. 3rd pit runner potentially, because I'm expecting this 4 account just to continue up here.
Yeah, this is making that bottom wick right now for the 15.
Yeah.
Should, as long as you respect those lows, you're good. If it re-breaks the highs, it's gone.
Yep, it's Chabella. Might enter second position if he breaks the highs.
You full risk or half risk?
I went full, like my normal risk.
Double risk?
No, my first position was my normal risk.
I thought you were gonna. You said you were gonna add a second position. I thought you meant you were gonna double up on your risk.
No, there's Andre. Look at Andre. He's for sure in the buy. This guy is for sure in the buy. He'll come back. I think he'll come back.
Who wants me to rip it at the green light? I'm going.
BMW green trade to green light. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Take a quarter risk. Take a quarter risk.
Do some donuts.
I'll roll down the window so you guys can hear. Oh, you guys are in a trade. Okay.
Yeah, gonna buy here. Look at GJ on a 15.
Looks clean.
Yeah, back into the range.
Full send for you guys.
Ooh. They got chopped. Wow, Andre ripped it, and GJ ripped it as well. Pushing up here, re-broke those highs. Let's see, can we pop up towards this resistance or no?
Andre, keep in mind, green is for everybody, red is just for you. Red light's just for you.
Hilarious.
Why is Wixton's background louder than Andre's engine?
There's a few assholes downstairs.
Jesus.
If we re-break these highs, I'll go current candle stops.
How big are stops are there then? I mean, it'll be like what, 6 pip stops again, right? For you?
Yeah, something like that. 6-7 pip stops, as opposed to it's at 11 pip stops.
We should pop up here. To vacation. Did you get any extra positions, Andre, or no?
No. As soon as I got off, I had to, get ready.
Gold 15-minute starter play for you.
Going up, right?
Yeah, going up above that range. About to be 15. Let's see, guys. This trade here, we got price push up, obviously. Push up like what? 3 pips? Nothing crazy. I think once you tap like this resistance here at 6 pips, that's not a big break even. I may consider closing half though if you break the lows with a negative like 3 pip. Half.
Yeah, I'd close half if we close within this range on this 15.
Let's see though.
Range.
I may not close half. Cause stops are like 8 pips anyways. It's not bad. Uh-oh. Price starting to reject here. Let's see. This 15 closes in 10 minutes though. If we close back into range like this though, that's when I'll close my positions off. If we close back, but then just leave it if he breaks the lows. Gold pushing. Oh yeah, it is. About 3 nuts. Oh, flipping bullish again. This is the 3rd time we're flipping here. Should I wait for 3-minute closure? No, I found it was a 15-minute closure, but closing above the range. What'd I say?
I was just gonna say, what time frame are you on right now? 15 or 30?
I'm on a 15-minute time frame.
Okay.
This is the 30 right here. I mean, 30-minute closes above. That's even cleaner, obviously, but I think 15 was fine for me to be in this trade here. Maybe 15-minute start play. If it closes bearish but above this range here, we should be still fine. It's only if it closes below is when I'll be probably managing risk.
Congratulations.
It's a risk trade for me, mate. I don't know. This is a trade that I've been taking the whole entire year, for the past 2 years. It's something like if it stops, I'm not gonna mark it as a bad trade. It'll just be a trade that I'll always take. Like if you look at my Instagram, like it's pretty much the same trades. It's just 20% of the time that doesn't play out right. If it were to hit. Plus I don't use EMAs too, but never know. Not gonna just use EMAs now that I'm in a drawdown, right? Doesn't make any sense. Flipping bullish again for a 3rd time.
Sachi, this has been the story. This has been the story of GJ for a while, for the past week at least. Re-break highs, re-break lows, re-break highs, re-break lows. You know what I mean? Instead of just the Ciao Bella that we're used to.
Yeah.
Definitely some grinding. Been some grindy positions.
We just gotta stay above 981 here. That's it. Above that range. Worst case, we don't move now. We move with the next 30-minute candle in 8 minutes here.
Yep.
Because that's gonna be a 30-minute candle.
30-minute stops are looking good too, as long as we close around here.
This is clean traffic though, breaking back into this range, guys. Back into the range, right? Here it comes. Oh, here it comes. 5-minute start play.
Yeah, that's the 5-minute celery if it breaks this high again.
I think it's Ciao Bella once you break like 154 or 053 here. Should at least take up towards here. It should be like 10 pips at that point. 50-minute start playing gold. So earlier on, guys, we wanted entries in this range, obviously, right? Like this range, but we couldn't really get that. It's the same scenario though, above range, right? We couldn't get that, so now we wait for this range to break. As this range is breaking now, it should take us up towards 154, 175 here, which will then lead the day candle flipping bullish, which is our original bias the whole entire day. So if you were here earlier, you would know that we talked about this day candle flipping bullish the whole entire day today, and that was all seen through a smaller time frame today. It's very crucial to look at smaller time frames all the time, especially with the forward candle closing bullish at support too. That helped us trade a lot. Look at the 4 hour time frame. What do you see looking left here? Clean traffic until I want to say 154 or 300 here. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, at 8 pips here. This is where stops are breaking will be placed probably. Would you have position if third minute close here? Probably not. No, probably not. But as long as third minute closes above here, we should be fine. The only route to survive as long as it's just a lower wick. But since our stop loss is right here, it's where the third minute candle low is anyways. So this should be the next third minute candle if you're expecting price to push up. Something like this.
How big is your stop loss right now?
8 pips. Tiny.
9.
Yeah, it's not crazy. Third minute comes 15 closest bearish here for a 30-minute wick fill. Let's see. 4 minutes left. That's a long time though. What is GJ doing?
Taking his sweet ass time.
This is the 5th time. How do you decide whether to wait for a top bottom wick to form in order to enter versus just entering off the close? I would say, because in this case I wait for a bottom wick. Actually, I'll always wait for a bottom wick to be formed first before I enter position. It's just that the thing is, like, once the bottom wick is formed, that's actually not like the bottom wick until we actually close. You're just anticipating that's gonna be the bottom wick. So that's what we did in this case. That'll be a hype song. I think that would help GJ, but you wanna play? Good vibe song? I got you guys. I miss OG direct moves. Yeah, the volume hasn't been as great as April for sure.
Alright, boys. I just pulled up. Just wanted to say what up.
Alright, man.
I hope it's max TP for you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, flipping bullshit. You said that. Alright, yeah. Take it easy, man. I'll catch you in an hour.
Flip it, GJ. Flip it.
Had you along from 796, but I closed with a small loss as I closed price shot up, and the reason I closed is because I watched a 15-minute time frame. I removed my list. Why'd you close? Off emotions or off technicals? Oh, we're breaking lows. That's not good. Uh-oh. Coming down here. You have a minute for a close here. If you close bearish like this, I'm gonna close my positions out. But until we actually break the lows, trade's still valid. But right now, obviously it's not looking great, right? As we're coming close to the lows. I haven't broke it yet. Is the reason we're answering now and wait for a start rate? No. I answered here with the fact that the 15-minute closed above the range right here. As we close back into this range here, we entered a buy in the opening, expecting price to come up to fill the range. So if you didn't answer, obviously if you're not in right now, I'll wait for a starter play with the break of these highs here. If you break the highs, stops the current candle lows as the next candle pops up to fill the range. Oh yeah, it's 30 seconds left.
It's not looking terrible. Needs a little more. Needs to close above.
Yeah.
It's like what, 2 pips? 1 pip?
992 would be perfect.
99.
I
have 98. Yeah, 983, 982. It's trying. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Oh,
Perfect.
yeah.
Come on. 5 seconds. Perfect. Keep going. Come on, GJ. Talk to me nice, GJ.
There it goes.
It sniffed my stop loss. It sniffed it, and then it walked away. It said, disgusting. And it's
now with the 30-minute candle closing above the range here, we should push up. 15-minute is bearish though, so we must break these highs here for it to be really clean here towards TP.
It sniffed my stop loss and said, no way. We ain't going there today.
Hey, now we can look at the 30-minute time frame at least. It's a lot cleaner, right? It makes sense. If I didn't enter off the 15, I would have entered on the 30-minute here. Stops current candle low, TP up here. Same trade scenario, different time frame.
Logic's still there, man. Logic is still there.
Yeah. That 30-second charge flying. Which time are you in the trade? Oh shoot, pushing up. 15-minute start play.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, it was close to stop loss, but it goes to show that like even if it's coming closer to stop loss, it doesn't make sense to close it just because it's there it is, it's flying. Starter play. Wow. Oh,
Ciao Bella. Come on.
Boom shakalaka.
It wants it.
Move my stops to break even very soon here. Yeah. Move my stops to break even, guys, making this a risk-free trade. There goes, risk-free.
College educated, she graduated.
Can we get 10 pips though? 10 pips is where? 10 pips is like up here. Yeah, 154, 115. That's why I'm gonna close half of my positions. And I'm gonna let a TP go until TP, or runner go until TP. I might leave a runner on this trade too towards 154, 309 too. This would be the TP. Let's see though. Let's see if we can get 10 pips though. Risk free though. This trade should not be a loss. Doesn't make sense too. This count shouldn't flip here if it wants to drive up. Should stay above these levels here. What's on this? I don't know, but it's helping to move. It's called The Thrill by Empires of the Sun, Wiz Khalifa remix. Guys, the reason why I moved my stops to break even was because we have tapped this minor resistance here, as you can see. Right, so that's a minor resistance where we don't know what's going to happen here. We need a closure above in order for us to actually continue up. With the anticipation at the 30-minute is clean traffic. That's why I'm still in the trade, obviously, towards TB.
Rebreaks the highs here if we're good. If it rebreaks these highs.
Are you break even?
Not yet.
Oh yeah, you've gone a little later. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm waiting for it to rebreak these highs one more time. I'm at current candle stops, however.
What highs is the talking about? The current candle highs? Oh yeah, current candle highs.
Yeah, I need to break current candle highs again up to like 80, 90. That's when I'll be stop break even.
1 hour is clean. It should re-break those highs. Push up. I don't see why not. 4 hours is very clean too.
Yeah, a little nervous about the 30-minute, wanting to make a bigger bottom wick, but other than that.
I mean, I think you move your stops to the current candle low.
Yeah, I do have current candle low.
Oh yeah, that's fine then. Worst case, your situation, your stops are 4 pips.
Yep.
My stops are 2 pips.
Oh, there it is. Risk free for you. Nice. Can I get my 10 pips here, OGJ? Give me my 10 pips. 10 pips is up here. Waiting for our go. I mentioned it earlier. 154.300. I think I said. Oh wow. Pushing.
I'm afraid of the spread, man.
Yeah, your entry is a bit tough because it's not an opening of the candle, so it's like it can still break and not flip bearish. You know what I mean?
Yeah, safe, low risk, but you know.
The stops to break even is the most aggressive part about it.
Yeah.
Where should I take profit? I'm closing half at 10 pips, which is at 154.108 for me. And I'm gonna leave a runner until 154.175 or 154.300. I think it was. I said a 30 pip runner. Closing partials mean closing partial positions to secure profits. Rest is history. Doesn't really matter what happens after, right? Well, at this point, it doesn't really matter what happens after. It's risk free anyways.
Here comes the 5 minute, about to close bullish. I have to personally survive this 5 minute bottom wick. There, made a bottom wick. Nah, it's flipping.
Oh yeah.
5 minute. 5 minute flipped.
Oh, it might hear your entry.
It did. I'm out.
Oh wow. I'm also here, but
be sick.
I can't. I'm like struggling to get 10 pips there on this trade. We tapped the resistance, guys, also, right? So it's like you should not be like your stop loss should not be in place there. It should just be a risk free. There's no reason for it not to. We rejected this resistance.
I'm gonna need to make a break even folder like Andre. I like break evens. Break evens make me happy. Last month I had like the same amount of break evens as wins, and it was my best month. It's good. It's good to have break evens.
They might survive here, maybe. I may reject that 5 minute support, I guess, something. But
I'm more so sad about missing out on these runners. I'm definitely done for the day.
Yeah.
But I'll do the same thing for Asian session. Hope for the best. Same thing tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I may or may not be on stream. Got some birthday festivities in the morning.
Your birthday?
My mom's birthday.
Oh yeah, your mom's birthday.
No spoilers. She might be watching the stream. Imagine.
Give her some Dogecoin, that's it.
She already made Dogecoin.
I'm gonna hit break even here. I'm very close to break even. My entry is 0.11. 0.11 is my entry. 154.011. Hit break even. Hit break even, guys, in this trade here. Yeah, so we failed to get our 10 pips, obviously, but I think we managed both trades break even today. I just realized that too. Yeah, I've got like 8 pips here. Tap that resistor. We really needed to survive that, but unfortunately we didn't, obviously, right? So the trade, however, is still valid. I mean, but from our position, it just doesn't make sense yet anymore, unless you wait for another like 30-minute closure or a 15-minute closure here in order for us to continue up. But yeah, it was a break even. 5 minutes time to reject it too. I think I barely got stopped out.
It's gonna play out, don't worry. I'm off.
Yeah, later, man. I'm about to be off too.
I got current belows, hasn't broken it
Yeah.
yet.
Yeah, guys, I think I'm off of it too, guys. So that was today. 2 break-even trades on GJ today on same buys we've had, obviously. I think we managed this pretty well. I'm pretty happy about that last trade we took here, how we managed to set that resistance. That was very key and important. But yeah, guys, take it easy. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Leave a like on the stream if you guys enjoyed it. I guess it was a W day. Follow up Control FX on Instagram, and ciao bella. Peace and love.
Searching for the thrill of it. Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. the show was far. You the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact that the thrill they chasing. But you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself.
Just traveling the world.
Will I see you again?
Trying different drugs and girls. Yeah.
We are always running for the thrill of it. Thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill. Searching for the thrill of it. All alone, we are calling out and again. Never looking down, I'm just an aura of what's in front of me.
Addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the planes at. Yeah. Wake up drunk, go to sleep fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sour, let's consume.
We are always